Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
SDC win the thing.
Tambourine family.
SDC win the thing. Admit it and done. ANC people admit it and done. One SDC. Tell them, Shade.
Praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Get right.
Yeah.
Christina, I want a pink plane there. You know, see plane crash. Christina, I see a pink plane crash.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Blessings, 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 blessings.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
You, wagwan peeps, wagwan. It's a post-party Monday. I want to say good afternoon to you, good evening rather, from this New York City and thing, wherever you are in the world. I want to say large up to you and thing. We know say the thing, global people all over the world and things, seeing all these people asking, how was the party? I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about the party and thing. Because I give some people some time for forward and thing, when I know the thing set down. So I get people, I'm looking time for coming in and the thing and thing. But what going on doing in the meantime? What going on doing? Only tell me what going on. What has your day been like? Karen Robineau, I see you. Karen Robineau. Interesting things are going on over the country where your name come from. France. There's a lot going on over there. Well, hi, sure. And thing. When she come in, she not no manners. The first people, she just say, hi, hello, my sisters. Right? The manners, everything for she do is to say, good evening to everybody first, though. Right? And she come in, she just yell up her ANC sisters, them right away. And thing. But we understand, it's all good. It's all good. Walk on one of the people, dilly dally. Oh, I go down. Dog bite, me see you know. What's up? What's up? Walk on, my people. Walk on. Blessings and respect to the whole land, you know, everybody who there, you know, large upon yourself, you know. All right, when we can't, you know, well, we have a couple things, them. Where you say dog bite, the ants, them dead. Yeah, them get a beat, man. Dog bite, you know, so them always a beat SDC, don't. Them whap up SDC enough time and thing, but the answers them get a beat na Ragabash. Them get a beat na Ragabash. And if them have any honor in them will admit it. Hey, you know, say, is a SDC person say, look how much time them beat we. Dog bite same have the store receipt there, right? Is a SDC person. Look how much time them beat we and we take we beat and give them winnings and thing and them no want give them the winnings right, you know. You understand? They want Java come at that, but no, we never did a come for so. We did just a come for whatever, right? We not depend upon the ANC them for admit it so them get a whopping. We can't just ask the people them and thing or whatever. I say the amount of ants we dead in a Ragabash to writing. The amount of ants we must get stamped up and trampled in a Ragabash, right? And even the SDC stand, the shell out. The SDC stand shell out the ANC stand to and thing, seeing? Right? See there, Christina bitter. What you see, Dr. Max a pure ants missing on the floor. Trample them out them nasty this dog. Anyway, people, big up on yourself, you know, everything is everything, you know. Right away, I just want to say enough. Thank you to all who support the party. in any which way. You know, people who come, people who buy ticket for people who just buy ticket and say, "Man, nobody but me just a buy ticket." People who never buy a ticket but I support the thing anyway. People who, you know, post a flyer. People who give well wishes. Right? People just listen all the best and think. Big up on yourself, you know. Big up creme de la creme there. Big up yourself, creme de la creme. Right, me just want to big up all who support the thing in some way, form or the other and thing. Blessings and respect to you, and everything is everything saying. Again, we had a wonderful time. I had fun, you know. When you're around the right set of people, you know. People who post a flyer, Terry Strawberry, big up. See the Terry in a yellow, Terry at SDC, you know. Terry Strawberry at SDC, deep down, you know. Oh, you mean if Cooker did it, Cooker come in, Cooker did it and have him date, right? More that Diva says squeaky, they look good. Right, you know, anti-flawless, large up yourself, you know, good evening, man, big up you and your crew, you know, and thing, you know, I love on the energy, on the positive and thing, and, you know, Teddy Bear and the whole family, large up, you know, big up on yourself, man, straight blessings and sitting and thing, all right? People, you know, so we keep a thing balanced and we not go, you know. People, out of all I man them, you know, Squeaky was the best dancer in that place, you know. And well, we not talk wind up, because the woman them run that. We not talk wind up. Bobby T, big up yourself, you know, Bobby T. Wait, Dr. Mark, you know Bobby T? Dr. Mark, you know Bobby T? Eh? Oh, Dr. Mark said, no, you know. I told me, Bobby T, I'm a general, you know, I'm a brother that, you know. You understand, saying? So I told me, see, I yell at me, I wonder if you know, you know. Bobby T, no worry yourself, man. I want me to you, man. You know, say your thing different, man. Your support different and whatever, you know, Bobby T. You don't even have to show your face, you know. I want to know, say, oh, the honor that they see me and thing. I mean, I always want to come here thing, you know, but it's always the round Zion birthday. Yes, remember? Every time you have something up on the same weekend, like Zion thing and whatever, you know, go with the youth, them and thing. People, when I go around the thing, you know, when it come to wind up at the woman, them that, right? So outside I wind up and sexy up. People, when I know say every day I beat Squeaky, don't. When I know I beat Squeaky every day. Right? Beat him every day. People, Squeaky was the wickedest dancer in a Ragabash, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Yeah, man, a Squeaky take it. But no found no know. Say, Squeaky original claim to fame was as a dancer. Yeah. Squeaky is a long time dancer youth, you know. Yeah, man. Squeaky is a long time dancer youth, man. So, out of all I dancing, them at the dog one, a Squeaky take it, you know. So Squeaky, big up yourself with the dancing, you know, you shell it, you know, right? People like me, no, when I want to go something really, me I say leave that to the woman them, right? When it come to that wind up something them, would I say a Trini take it? Yeah, the wind up something them, you know, Trini take it, you know. You understand? As a Chumpy say me video in my dance and things saying. But Chumpy, you know, say all this time, what's she name there? Me never know say she fear name pan the wall, you know, underscore what it name there and thing or whatever. I look but me I say, but I saw. Yeah, man. Chumpy say Trini wine all night. Yeah, see the dog bite. Yeah, make them know a dog bite. Me I tell the SDC beat the ANC them, man. What? Good trees. You know, say all this time and I know say, boy, me I tell you, you know, say me I drop it catch, you know. Me I drop it catch, man. Me I drop it catch, man. I pick up say you know. Alright. Now God, me now go do this all night, you know. Like everybody who are coming late. After I said, oh, was a party? And then I'm going to answer them or whatever, you know. So, Star Girl, we don't have to talk about the party already here. See? But, watch out, Ireland Nash, oh, was it? I be that I go on today, you know, oh, was the party? So, I don't know, you know, I can't do the whole show. Talk about the party. Creme de la creme, we answer. Creme de la creme, what's up? You good? Hmm? Well, Bert Archibald and thing, welcome to the family. Big up all who just are rolling and everything is everything and thing. Again, me can't thank you enough, you know? You know? Can't thank you enough, for forward and, and the vibe to come with the right attitude and thing. You see it? Yeah. Nick's Chemicals a call today, the party edition. When, yeah, so it go people are go talk about the party and thing. Cookie. Creme de la creme. Hi, Raga. I'm so shy. Just ignore me. I'm telling all the while, I'm a shy woman, When you come down to it, I'm a bad like yours, creme de la creme, you might shine, but you can't fool me, you not catch me off guard. You hear me, I say? You not catch me off guard. Okay. That's all the thing there. So people, the party nice, man. The party nice, and we go on with ourselves and all these things, and we give thanks and sitting, and it's a nice little vibe. My thing with them something, is like from you're there around people with the right attitude, you're good, and that was good. People they just relax and at ease and dance and the music, this, A's mommy, I have a question to ask you. You know what that thing? Sham. Oh, you mean Sham? Then a yellow. No, no, say the road. Watch ya. Wanna stay right there, so. Right there, so. Right, no, don't move. Don't move. Right there, so. Right, wanna just stay right there, so. You see, somebody come and attack about how was the rose giveaway. You see them, yeah? They never give it. There was a lot going on. And them don't even walk me. I want my one right now. I go want my one right now. I could see a one. Could see what I go on. I could want my one right now, people. If I send one of them, I go get Elaine, Tani says she need one. All right, I could see what I go on. Rosemary. Now you can boldly explore your moonly time. Thank you for joining the moon. What's up? What's up? Queen of Writer. Look at my rose. Somebody I call me, but I do the show. Show on. Well, people make me check this because sometimes people make me know. Okay. All right. And as usual, all kind of mix-up come out at party, People may have sitting for telling about that party that too, I want about KK about demonstration, please. What me I go demonstrate? KK out here, when me I go demonstrate. So, you have, this look like a charger. So I guess you take out this now, of course. Right, nice and soft, you see? Yeah. So, Chrissy, don't show it. Why me not for show it? Oh, me not for show it. Hold on. It's a TikTok thing? No, hold on. Let me listen to them people. I say, has anybody ever gotten in trouble? Remember, some have on the adult something, you know. The adult something is on. Oh, them say me not for sure. All right, people, make a listen when them saying, and them people here. Okay. All right, them say me not for sure. Rudy says she want one, but I have I bought a bunch of them. We have more, you know, like 4. Them said don't show it. Well, I'm gonna put back this in another one. All right. Vibes say you got the kid. Watch ya. And when the people in my chat about them need one, I need this and whatever. Well, me not keep it. So me I go give them one somewhere from or the other. Ruthie says she want one. You sure? Eh? Seymour, you want one? Seymour, you want one? Talk up in a Seymour. Right? And if anybody want one, but you want me feel like, if anybody want one, but you want me, you know, I'm not gonna make no trouble. If you just need me to kind of give you, to read the instructions for you, and to tell you what you have to do, just say yes. If you want one, but you want me to just kind of read the instructions to you and tell you what you must do with it and whatever, just put yes in the chat. Put yes in the chat. Anybody want one, but you want me to just read the instruction for you and tell you what you have to do, and then you do it and thing and whatever, no trouble. Just say yes and yeah. No. Dress up your talk, you know. What me say? What that person? Devil's angel, y'all get it twisted, you know. Nobody would show me. Me tell you. I can't show you nothing with for this and that, right? So if you want me tell you what you have to do, and just say yes. Say, Raga, give me one, and I want you dead, Raga, for tell me what you have to do, right? All right? Just say yes. But nobody would show me. Seymour, you want one, talk up. You want one, right away, talk up. Yeah? But Devil's angel says, show on me. All right, now me will do that. Yeah, I'm good for that, you know. Me show you how to do it, you understand? Me do it for you. No favor fat. One and yeah, man, me will do it, man. And for all I man them who not draw from that something there. You don't need to do that something there. Trust me, it's fun. Men, Jamaican men, who claim so no want to do them something there with toys and whatever. Women love it. Women love it. You don't need to get in on the game and that something that trust me, I know me I talk about. You know, me I chill now, you know, because those were my bad days. You know what I say? So I'm a good behaving boy, you know, talk to me halo. But me I tell you now, I love it. And to you ladies, who I say, no, you don't want to do that something down there, just cool, man. Because you don't know if you not juggle with me and you talk about no and whatever. Me that in our ears, and I say, no, man, just try it a little bit. All right, you know, we're going to just do it for 1 minute and then we stop, all right? Make me do it and whatever. That's cool, man. Just sit down and relax yourself, man. All right, you want to go. But I'm not going to put it up there, so I'm going to rub it on your leg. You see how it feel? How it feel on your leg, on the inside of your leg, down. And you just go and rub it and then you slide it down. So just relax yourself, man. You know, so your tens up in your shoulder, lay back and thing and whatever, you know. And you come up on your thing, and you know, and you don't know, you know, go directly upon it. You just kind of circle it and whatever, and you feel a little bit. Trust me, all I want to woman who not talk about, who not do them something, who never do it yet, and who don't want to do it and thing. Yeah, and you ever hold on and thing, and when me because you know, say, it's all about being gentle and take your time and whatever. And you see, and when you like to rub the edge and whatever, and you come round and you just slowly rub it on the edge, and I tell you, say, yeah, man, I see you wind up on it, look a bit more, wind up on it, look a boy. So, yeah, when you go so boom and you don't even touch up this, so, but you circle it, I make you feel a little tingles and all them something. I'm telling man, I murder she wrote. Cause by the time you go down so and boom, you slide it down in front of the door to the living room. And it's when you come back up the door to the living room and you don't ever touch or something, then you go right under it. You know, touch it, you go right under it and just vibrate it. Or you start push up on the hip and wind up on the hip. That me I tell you all about about no want to do that something there. If I catch one and it's about no want to do it. When me done with and thing, Duns River Falls. You understand? It's all about confidence and surety of self. With the objective being, you know, I'm gonna make sure we wait up ourselves to and whatever. Yeah. All I wanna go and thing I wanna done and all I cover on the face and still I flood the place, yeah? I'm type of foolish this man on the need for enjoy on a life. You understand? On the need for enjoy on a life. Right? So man not living a life, you know? Water for run. Whoa, the water running, whoa, the water running. The water. Listen to me now, man. Your son and experience. Yeah, me know that's something there. Now tell us I know that's something there. Yeah, I found a bone and I want to do it and thing. When I done, I beg for do it. Beg for do it. I push up on the hip and I wind up on the hip and thing. When I done, I know I got on the serve, you know. Terry Strawberry, you have to block me. Don't block me. Adapt me, I tell you. Yeah. Me and somehow not juggle and not go on like I don't want to do nothing and thing like that, but to embarrass and this and that and thing. When me done, we don't know, man. What you mean? What can go on the show? I'm not sure. KK, I'm in your inbox, sir. What you doing there? Man, I'm looking at my inbox right now, you know? Yeah, Sonia, make them know the river need to come down. Listen to me. Yes, Christina, open up the portal. Well, I know. Ladies, I don't need to try it. Make no man try it or something, man. It's one thing when you do it, you know. It's when you have a man who do it, too. And him know what him do. Let me tell him, man, nothing beat that phone, no, man. Pop off and pop off and pop off and thing, round after round, you understand? And then after that, you get down to business too, you know, fling it one side and start, done. Yeah. Yo, Terry, where you running from over here go? You don't turn to and stay where you go. Yeah, more time you go and something and not drive and thing and just you know, put it down nothing, you know. It's all about the outside and knowing what to do. You see some man now, them always a think about for going and thing and thing. Well, them man they were focused on going and thing. Them man don't understand woman, man. You see the woman something you know with that thing, yeah. Everything outside. Everything outside, you know. You look at going can go on, you know. But when you deal with that something, yeah, man, them things, yeah. Them roast something outside, man. You know that? You know what I say? Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, Marshy Boo, what are we talking about? You just come, you have to go wait. You try and catch up. Sonia said, Raga, come push the wire in my charger and forget about them. No, man, at the outside, man, but it's all, you know, yeah? Man. You see what we don't man know, the secret have a come up and then you grow on the top, but you know, really dip on something, you know, you just dip on the top of it, you know, and just gentle, and you just say, you know, look a circle something there, and then you come around it and come down on the side and come right down. And you see, like you put your foot in a living room, look a bit, but you come out because it's not about going in a living room, man. And come up, man. It's, hey, you see when you do that something there, I swear to you, man, I lie to you about this. You see when you do that, right, woman who can't wine, in general, them can't wine, all of a sudden them know how to wine. Listen to me, man. If a man have that little toy there, I one of them something and I work. You see, when woman who can't wine, when you tease out them rats and things and you deal with them case and you have them, man, and you have that little arrogant confidence, like, I own you. You're mine right now, man. I make you. You see, woman who can't wine, I swear to God, they know for wine. When they're ready and I push up and thing, and then I push up. And can't sweet me, come here, I say, what you not can, but what you learn for wine now? What girl a wine? What goods a wine now? You see what I say? Yeah, man. You have that. Shade Raga trouble, you know. No, man, you have that make you wine something, them, man. Susie Q say, yeah, he's a juke star. That bad. Current's a wrong day for me to have company listening to Raga. Well, a wrong day for me, you know, well, are you? Yeah, you say, you're a wrong day. Me all right, you know. Me all right. When you don't know my unruly and outside already, nothing new there. When you know that already. Yeah, man. Me I tell you, if a man know what a man do with the woman, man, and she can't wine, man, yeah, you have to make your wine stimulation there, yeah? And make woman wine good wine. Good push-up wine, you understand what I say? People know for have fun about a boring up a thing. I want to make some dead stock people out there telling about this and that and decency and gone as far as a mix got up in a them something. You can know what God are doing in them something, yeah. Right? I feel them limitation. Right? And them just use God for make themselves feel better when them a critique other people or whatever. Like God ever tell them, God no business with vibrator. As long as they not use it on picnic or whatever, I do something, you know, totally inappropriate or whatever. God no business with them, and God no business with self-pleasure. And God no business when two people have fun, whatever. You understand what I say? Right? Yeah, nah, man. You know what Jamaican thing and Caribbean people and, well, even African diaspora, who, the Christianity thing and whatever, everything for them a demon. Everything for them a demon. If it bad, it's demonic. And so all them demonic behavior there, whatever, everything for them a demon. Demon. Hey! Well, let me be careful because me have a relative who me I go talk about and his relative whom I love. But, you know, I was raised in a Christian home and me have Christian relative, you know. Not even Harry Potter, they make them pick me watching. Them say, no, be a demon in the Harry Potter. I don't want them watch them demonic thing there and whatever. But me I say, it's fantasy. It's like dopey show. Some say, you make him watch Superman though. Yeah. Some say that Superman no fantasy. Not really good. So people know it's just entertainment. No, that different. It's the devil. Harry Potter is the devil. Me know people, you know. I mean, I have a relative who say Harry Potter, demonic, devil. anything them not like them say demonic. Anything them not like them say demonic. And they don't know why they think like that. So me just leave them alone and think, all right. And I'm born out Harry Potter. Then another thing too. This one never ever makes sense for me. It never ever makes sense to me. Right? And again, they don't know why they think like that. You know? Hey, a Christian, you know, make them see a skull. Anything for do, as long as them see a skull. Demonic can't think or whatever. Yeah, so when them see a skeleton. Make them see a skeleton on anything and whatever. Demon, anything to do with the dead. Yeah, I understand. But, you know, you leave people, make people live them life and whatever. If them approach you for your explanation about something and you have the skill set and the knowledge to share there, then, you know, you can afford that to them. But outside of that, you know, you leave people for being people. I'm not going to stay long tonight doing them because I have some little emergency things to take care of after the show done. But a couple of things. People don't know say certain things on the app up on TikTok. I don't know, me not get involved in it, you know? Cause you have certain energy, people that do them things, so me not get involved in it. And there's quite a few Jamaicans who are really Raga, I want to see something. Anyway, yeah, Jamaicans are very usually on every platform that I've been on. They give you demographics, all of them. Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, all of them give demographics. And for the demographics from my platform, they're generally the majority of my listeners are usually in the United States. And it's always 60 to 70% women. So it's mostly women listen to me for obvious reasons and whatever. But with TikTok, I have a high amount of Jamaican listeners, viewers, you know, with TikTok. TikTok is just different. So Jamaicans are very active on TikTok. We're more sound to know. Very, very active on TikTok. And you have some Jamaican who tend to be well known on TikTok for different reasons. Some of them are for Ivani and them people and whatever. So I don't know, so I'm going to really go by this and that's something. That's not really my thing. But just real quick, this thing with Rosalie is with the CDA who took away her children. Yeah, and I'm going to be real quick with this. And for some of you probably don't know what's going on here. So, but don't worry about it. I'll be real quick with it. And I can't go in all the details, but I noticed that you guys are torn about it. There's a split. Some basically you have people who say CDA shouldn't take away our children them. And then the other side I say CDA take away our pitting them, right? With that split, the people who say CDA shouldn't Chris Child Development Agency at Jamaica, something like that, right? Who the institution who has a mandate to protect the children as much as they can. And again, many of you won't know what I'm talking about, so just let me just go through. Because I can't go in all the details about it. I really don't even know all the details about it, but anyway, quick. So on the side where people are saying they shouldn't take away our children, them, the people them say, no, Rosalie just talks so forget likes. So them say, their argument is, no, she just attack, forget likes, and that's how she go on and things like that, and them not understand TikTok and whatever. So them shouldn't take away our children, them and all this. On the other side, people are say, no, she serious and thing, and you know, them do the right thing for take away our children and based on where them ear are, I say, on TikTok. Now, again, I'm going to be as brief with this as I can. People, what I want you to understand from my investigation of it, because when I heard it first, I was like, because Missy Rosalie do her thing for get gifts and whatever, and Rosalie have a kind of aggressive approach, as many of you know. But I feel her style, I feel her thing and whatever. And me can't manage it. So me not go over there. Because I contribute to enough people on TikTok. But me can't manage. Rosalie have a bad up thing about her, right? I don't know. She bad you up and tell them to do this and that time. Really. So me not go over this. But in my mind, she do her thing. I feel her style out, you know? And who drawn to it, fine, you know? So, me say, boom, all right, cool. But, so when me hear it now, I say, wow, I wonder if the CDA really misunderstood what going on TikTok. People have them different style. I don't know, so me not do the match thing on them something there, right? So me, so me did I think that too. Me I say, whoa, that sounds You know, that sound huge. You take with somebody children from them. So I saw now I start do some investigation and check out some things. And in my opinion, people, I'm on the side of the CD. And I don't know Rosalie, and I'm not against Sarah or anything. But the reason I mention this, it's about the children, right? And let me just give you what me get, whatever, all right? One, the CDA never just come and check with the children. So apparently the CDA have been in contact with her about other issues. So them been a try to work with her. Two, from what I was told by certain people, well, people affiliated with them, Rosalie has not been cooperative with them, according to them, right? So their thing is like, she bad them up too. Somehow not gonna last, so just work with it. If you not last, somehow not gonna last. Okay, Sham, yeah, because, you know. So apparently them been a try if you say, no, we're trying to work with you and thing, and we just want with them market. I mean, say Rosalie bad them up and thing. Again, you know, I tell her what me hear, you know. So listen to me, blah, 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 so while them up and thing. You know. Two, the baby father and she and whatever, apparently they've been some big, a lot of war in front of the kids, them and thing like that and whatever. Which we have to be careful because parents argue and cuss and thing, and that no means to them to lose them children or whatever. But again, we're putting all the elements together. And you have all these things going on, but then people, me see the video where make CDA say, we got to go in right now and get these kids because we don't know. And me, what me see, right? And here is Rosalie say, why sometimes, she said sometimes the pressure just reach me and whatever, and just sometimes I not care and whatever, and sometimes, and she basically, I say sometimes she does this and that, and then, me not gonna say what she say, but she essentially say, sometimes she want to just analyze the whole of the pitney them and analyze him too and thing. And she don't even say analyze. She talk about using a particular weapon and doing it with these graphic terms. And importantly, Lady Cassie, me talk, me am a big man, no no school no man, me no like, you know, me tell them, me no like people tell me what I'm for do, man. No school no man. All right? Just make me talk, right? Nobody not tell me what I'm for do. Just let me talk. You can have your opinion, but don't tell me what to do. Okay? So when I saw the video and hear what she said, I was aghast. And here it is. This is my opinion. Her delivery, body language, tone, and everything sound 100% credible to me. Could I be wrong in terms of what she did intend to do? Me don't know. But me, I tell you what me hear and what me say. I was shocked. After me see that and thing, I became concerned for the children them. And this is what I'm getting at. You see, and people I say leave it alone or whatever. How many times we hear some horrible, awful things happen to children? And you hear, oh no, see him what? That nobody never see. And remember, she did say this and thing and whatever. Ray. You see, enough of them people that were cuss the CDA. If something happen to the pitney them or whatever, them same people are going to say, then the CDA hear her upon the upper session, they're going to do it and them never do nothing. You see, enough of the people them were cuss the CDA and I say, so and the CDA should have leave and whatever, this and that. Them same people, them mouth to that turn round and cuss the CDA. Why? I've seen them do it already, same place at Jamaica. I've seen, remember, you know, I know nothing new about parents that do cruel things to picnic and unalive them too and do extreme things and abuse them with iron and pipe and hot iron and fire. And that is nothing new. But every time it happen, on a CM one, so nobody never see the sign. Where's the CDA? I want a full of chat. Right? And I see him on a deal with a friend them and people too and whatever. I think you know at all and come in out. You have the strongest opinion and I tell people what to do and all them something. And when the thing flip now and whatever, based on one and tell them, you flip too. And get, conveniently flip to and go like the other side. You depend on never they depend on that side. What is the priority here? The children. I don't be, frankly, Rosalie and Jakes is not my business. I'm done telling already, me can't manage the energy there, how them deal with them things. So I don't go over there. But I understand it, them a do them thing, and it's a hustle too, and it's a them work, a them job, So, some of the things that when we see go and me think say people misunderstand the game, the TikTok game. And people get too judgmental sometimes or whatever. I say, no, my Lord, them I saw them go on, man. That are the hustler, When World Dog are doing, that are the hustler and whatever and thing like that. So I understand the part there. I'm also understand, say, me can't manage it. So I don't go over there. Me can't manage them something there. And I might think that, and I might energy that. But me I talk about the children them right now. Yes, but them been after her about the kids. Right, baby girl, whatever. So when me check now, when me look investigation, them say, no, this has been an ongoing thing and we've been trying to work with her. Rosalie have that bad up something there, right? So me, I don't know something or whatever, but me I'm my own big man and now who want to beat me, because I'm not no tit for tat with nobody and an ongoing thing. But my job, when I say to Uno, protect children. So I better on her on the side of mistake than for say you don't do anything at all. So when me, I tell her myself, when me see this something what she say, I'm not even not gonna tell her what she say. Someone wanna know what she said, right? When me see it and whatever, I was shocked. I was like, my reaction was like, you can't know for certain. Parents lose it and get whatever, and them end up not do nothing. But you can't know for certain. But I'm sorry. They don't care how parents angry and whatever and thing like that. And, once them gone over another realm and you say certain things and you get so graphic and clear and specific. And to me, she may attack so and whatever this and that, but what I heard was a woman who was overwhelmed, It's a woman who just a whole heap of pressure upon her and she's about to lose it. And she's about to snap. That is what I heard. That is what I observed. And she may not admit it, but I also heard a woman who is just like, I need help. Even though she not say she need help, and even if you ask her, she gonna say, I don't want to help her, whatever, because that is her personality and whatever. But I heard someone saying, I need help. And I was concerned for those children to when me hear. Parents don't talk like that. No care how much pressure they upon them. Nobody. I truly don't even know. Sometimes in here, me just want. And she said what she said it. And she said how many times she just want end it all. And people who hear it to want to see it to know what me I talk. You don't talk like that unless you're really in other space there. And when pressure people reach parents and parents, sometimes people get on my damn nerves and I can't bother, you know, sometimes I just want to run away from them and think, yeah, people say stuff like that. People not generally say them are going to get such and such weapon and cut such and such thing and this and that and whatever. And all the while, and you say all the while you eat, several times you're in at a position, you just want do that, whatever. And remember, you say it in the context where you are the person all this time and people know, say, you know, you keep it 100. You say you keep it real. You say what you want to say. This is the person who it is. So it's not even a one-off thing. This is the person who, you know, whatever. So what I'm saying to you people, one, I agree with the CDA. It may seem like an extreme action, but I agree with the CDA for taking those kids to be on the safe side. Remember, this is not a one-off thing. Them been a go on. For a long while I work with her, and the thing in the courts and this and that, whatever, and the thing reach a level now where you hear them type of language there. If something for happen to them, pitney, they wanna see them one that say, what more the CDA did want than for go take the pitney them, because she say it on social media and the whole world hear it, and the CDA never hear it and thing like that. That you not go say. Right? So me, I go on record and say, based on the utterances when me hear out of that parent mouth, the CDA did the right thing. They have my support, and I'm suggesting that you give them your support too. And all I want to out there who beat the CDA and whatever, think about the children, them, and this thing about social media, yeah, misunderstand social media, and I saw people talk on social media and things like that and whatever. When me here was very credible, like say she really I go through them something there for true, and I really I think them something there for true. Should they keep away the kids somewhere permanently? No, I think they must exercise them due diligence, do what them do and thing and whatever, and if things reach a point where them can make some adjustment in that regard with the appropriate monitoring and so forth, then them see what them can do based upon them expertise and them knowledge about these things and whatever. But people who have been here before, we have seen parents get overwhelmed, particularly mothers. Come on. And we know that unfortunately the mothers, them always mostly end up, with a day-to-day grind and a routine with the pressures with children and things. And that could wear you down, man. Right? We also know that depression exists. But people from ghetto, we don't have a culture where we understand depression and its impact on us and where we can end up a do and the choices that we can make that are unpleasant. We were not educated on these things. We were not raised like some people who easily them go psychiatrists and psychologists. We don't know them something. In other words, there's a lot of mental health issues in a ghetto at Jamaica amongst poor people, and poor people don't understand it. And when the mental health thing them come up, you hear people say, oh, them or the devil or a demon, like we are chat about and whatever. And it is these uninformed, uneducated, ignorant explanation of problems that people are experiencing. But these people don't have the resources, to understand it and to access those resources in order to get help. And then so people rely on arrogance and I don't want to hear nothing. My pity them. But does that mean the children are safe? Not necessarily. Does that mean say mental health issue there at Jamaica, amongst ghetto people in Jamaica? It's there. A lot. And again, what I heard at that moment and whatever, however entertaining she might be on social media, I heard a woman who is under pressure. Like some serious pressure. And she's saying there are times I've gotten to a breaking point where I just think of ending it all. And this woman, she thought it out. with such detail would we hear that we heard? She was just so specific. About how she would unalive not only the father, but all the children too. That level of detail, and then the exasperation and just the the futility that is expressed with it and thing and whatever. I was just like, oh my God, this woman needs help. These children need help. So the CD have my full support. And again, I don't mean to sound crass, and I don't mean to sound, like I said, to me, there's something going on there with her that perhaps she could benefit from some sort of intervention on and on the counseling side. She would have to be receptive to it. And according to what I've heard, she's not. So that is something, right? So I don't want to sound crass, but she needs help. But again, what going between she and Jake, and then you have the other guy, Akeem, and the whole thing where did that go on. I'm not busy with a party. I'm not busy with a part, the man and woman part, and this and that. To be honest, and I don't mean to sound crass with it, right? The people that live them life, and I make them choices. Again, my focus here is about the children. Because I know some men go over there and do them something. I want to see me go over there. Right? You think I know, you know, much time people send things to me about it and whatever, I don't respond to it. And when them press me, I say, no, on a ragga thing that, you know. Right? I remember one time a woman come in here and she said, Ragga, Ray, we will go over Ivani page. And I said, no, but Ivani, you know, said, no, Ivani and we blame them and all them people. Can't manage something there, you understand? Again, my issue is with the kids. So if you have a parent who under pressure, under overwhelming stress, and is literally, explicitly, with disturbing specifics, is exclaiming with total clarity that on several occasions she wants to unalive her children, and is also telling you exactly how she says she thought of doing it, and being so graphic about which weapon she would use and where on the children she would do whatever, this and that. What more on a blood clot want for somebody to step in this and do something? When I eat that? Kids are vulnerable, them never ask to ban. It's our obligation to protect them. CDA, when you do anything, people when you support the CDA panda one here. Protect the children. I mean, know this is going to sound weird. Are you talking about somebody too, you know, who the government did take me from my mother? Well, my mother did just say, listen, I'm going to take him because right? And then beat my mother, right? And my mother did have that wherewithal if it said, I'm losing it over here, nervous breakdown, all kind of thing and whatever, right? So me know that system there, right? The institutions that exist in our governance that have the mandate and the training and the expertise to do what they need to do to protect the children, they are doing their work. Make them do them work. Support the CDA here. I want to tell everybody, say Ragashanti say, with respect to this matter with the CDA, who, let's say temporary, have relieved Rosalie of the possession of her children, which is a big deal. We understand that. And we know so somehow no funny thing is like, no, nobody not supposed to take no picnic from no mother and whatever. But again, when I say that in the context where many times we have seen mothers lose it and end up and do some terrible things to children and whatever, you understand? Whatever, and we always say, what could we have done differently to have prevented this from happening? Where were the signs? That's the one I think when I love to say, where were the signs? One more sign on the one, yes, sir. Then the parent has said on several occasions, she think about just brrr, and I tell her exactly one more sign on the one. People want to give the CDA some support, yeah, here. Give the CDA some support, yeah. I want to not support the CDA. No, so I'm going to get some pushback. I'm going to get, because you have different personalities out there and people with different priorities and all them things there. All right? All right. Me they just want to put in my, them say silence mean you're complicit, no? So we want the CDA to know, say, Jamaica and Teddy Bear, big up yourself, We want the CDA to know, so we have people out here who support what them do. And we want to thank them. And we, I want to encourage them. Continue to use your expertise and your skill and your experience in dealing with these things. And do what is best for these children. And from what I gather and think, they're trying to do what is best for Rosalie too. You understand? So, full support to the CDA here. And I'm encourage you, my listeners. And again, I'm not going to everything and whatever. But for those who don't know about it too, it's say, yo, big up the CDA in Jamaica now doing the work and thing. And in my opinion, these children, despite the tension and stress that presently surround them, they are better for it. And the message was sent that this thing has reached a point now that warrant this appropriate intervention on behalf of the children's welfare, and it is welcomed. Kudos to the CDA. You're doing your job. And I know that the tensions out there are so strong and people, them cuss and them can be nasty and they can be on the different sides, and them can be really brutal and thing like that. I'm a grown man. I wear big boy pants. So I can't take my beating to whoever may choose to come for me on this and whatever. And again, I know this, I'm going to go over there. Them warrior go on the TikTok and social media, all that. Me no go over there. That whole heap want to send me things about them and whatever. Me no mention it and whatever. Me still in my little corner and keep myself quiet over here and whatever. And think 2 minutes to write it neither and think me no in an argument with them and whatever. And certain things me done with too. And some look at argument, cuss something them and things. Some look at idiot thing me no depend them. All right. So I'm going to segue into something right. I'm going to shift over into something. People, I am a firm believer, in the principle. And, when I grew up, the elders say, yo, whatever you sow, that you're going to reap, don't right? And the modern permutations of this is statements like, whatever energy you put out there, it's right? And a more common one is like, whatever you water, that's going to grow, But yeah, whatever energy you focus on, and that you attract. Right? And I know it's a raga, it happened to raga. You're not going to believe it too, whatever. People listen to me get a beating. Don't you know it's a regular thing? Oh, calm, man. Don't you know a regular thing over here when we call people, when me bring up people And they must say they are wait for come on and then them not come in and thing or whatever and them end up drop asleep and thing. A regular ragga sit down and listen to them. I'm a bust big laugh, no. Right? Bust big laugh, right? Like, that's a thing over here now, you know. Like, yo, when ragga catch a people, them asleep and thing and they make we all listen to them. Duh. Yeah. Ragga do that all the while, though. And we have some famous call along those lines and thing. People, you don't know, say, a party keeps, see? By the time, I will leave sit now, man. By the time me reach home, by the time me I go suffer say exhausted and bored for just go collapse in my bed. It was probably after 6. See, pretty eyes, pretty eyes. I wait I say time about minutes to 6 or after 6. Yeah, about what time it at my pretty eyes? Minutes to 6 or after 6. So somewhere around them time. I was just exhausted, man. I was exhausted. Remember, I was sleep all night at the party. So me I gonna I take up my phone for put it one side. And as me I take up my phone for put it one side, me check for say. Because sometimes people send you after, but dog, you don't know what me talk about. When you go after 6, you don't know is what me talking about. But anyway, I take up my phone, for put it one side now. But me check real quick because, you know, when the party keeps, sometimes people send a message. Believe it or not, sometimes people say, Raga, I'm so and so and I need transportation, thing like that, or me can't find this. You know, look at something, you know. So me I look quick. So when me I look quick now, me end up I say some live, you know, TikTok sending the live. And just as me I go to the live, me see one live from, I think she named Pretty Nikki. And me see her gay, right away me know her son, and she give her son dumpling for eat. So when she give her son the dumpling for eat now, the son, my sister, the son was being, he never like a dumpling. The dumpling never tastes good. But the son never want him mother to feel bad. So the son have this look like, me not like that dumpling here, you know, but me not really want mama to feel bad, so me not like that fried dumpling here, you know. And things, so the people them know because she have up that thing they were on TikTok, you have multiple people on the screen, you know. So the people them know and say, nah man, he not look like he not like a dumpling, man. Nicky not like a dumpling and things. So I am caught up now for a second. So me I say, okay, you know, me like them look at something, you know. So me I say, then I was wrong with the dumpling. Then she, you know, I take it in good stride now. Me say, yo, you know, like a dumpling. Then she got take off a dumpling and she squeeze the dumpling. When she squeeze the dumpling, a beer aisle come out. Beer aisle come out. And then me and she ball and say, no, me can't fry dumpling. No, me can't fry dumpling. Me can't fry dumpling. People me start laugh. Because she's funny, you know, in just by just being, you know, she take her beating with it, like she just admit it. So I start laugh or whatever. And then the people them are jumping now and I said, nah man, actually you can follow them people and talk about, but you need the flour with milk and butter and all them something, and then I look at arguments. So I'm invested now. And then one woman I said, nah, you go about it wrong, man. If you have boiled dumpling, you can't use olive oil for fried dumpling. You have to use vegetable oil for fried dumpling, and you use olive oil when you are going to cook, when you are fried, sitting on there like you are going to fry meat or whatever for cook down. But when it comes to, and this is whole thing I go on, and then she just go in and I said, no, I could never ever fry dumpling. So me, you know, I be a laughing and I can't know something I say, you know, so I say real quickly, let me just tell her, I say, me like how, you know, she beat herself and just admit it, say, you know, say she can't fry dumpling and she baffan with the dumpling and them, so, Jesus God. Watch ya, and somebody near and come in at the chat and put volume. Why people do this? Right? Why them can't just, looking at the chat, everybody I react to what go on, you know. Laugh emoji, all kind of something and thing, right? And come now, see the volume low. My thing is, it's a simple thing for you look in at the chat and say, nobody else is saying anything about the volume. People are all right. So my son me good, so let me say something. That is not the problem. Check. That no. Check. All right, hold on. It's not on my side. All right. I'll lose some volume good. Put good. See that? All right. I'm hearing you good. Yes, you're good. Good. I'm not the problem. Okay, good. All who not hear me good, wanna figure it out and thing, right? Because I'm not the problem here. All right. And some people, you know I say, me go send up the request now. When me send up the request, the next thing me hear now was, yeah, Raga, yeah, with that, like them attack and like them not talk to me, you know. Like them, like somebody say, yeah, man, all them big snoring, they were the one Raga go on with and whatever. So I'm like, what? I'm like, what are they talking about? I said, what am I talking about? Yeah, them I say, yeah, them big cow snoring, say, you're pretty Nick, you know. Yeah, my screen record it, you know. One time I put, I said, what am I talking about? Can I just send up the request? And think I whatever, and I saw me I pick up on me, because it's when you're really tired. When you're really tired, you know, and you drop asleep, you know, and you wake up back, you know, in your mind, oh no, your eye did just shut for a second and you woke me back, you know. But I could have had 10, 15 minutes. What I know? So I saw me I pick up now, I be a laughing me the front of me. I said, watch out now. Look what me always I do to people and look how you come out with me. And so me I say, look what me always I do to people and look how it come out to me. And them start beat me. And I say, oh, me did I sleep? And I say, yeah. And I say, yeah, you know, like some cow snoring in that phone. Yeah. And them start beat me and whatever. So I just start beating myself too and say some big dirty spur tree hill, big chucker go up spur tree hill snoring down. And I say, yeah. I'm pretty them beat me, you see it? Whatever you put out there in the world, it will come back to you. Okay? Whatever you put out there, and that will come back for you and things like that. And you see, Raga always a laugh off of people. When the people them drop asleep and we bring them up in the show, and you see them thing happen to me, you know, and whatever. So don't be careful. You understand? I could have something more serious where you put out there in the world and it come back to you. Okay. People them be all in my mind. I'm like, what am I talking about? About snow or whatever. I'm just set up a thing out. Just and then it dawned for me, you know, because I lay down up in the bed up on my pillow now and I'm the phone. And I saw it start sinking because I say, I not hold the phone. The phone just lay down. The phone just there. So I said, oh, you know, see, I drop asleep, Raga, on the phone, the right chest, and then I hear the snoring and all these things. So pretty naked, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, big up yourself. Everita, you're lucky you wasn't doing bingo. Seriously, every rater, that is something totally different, okay? That nah happen. First of all, Raga not do nothing. Raga nah do nothing. Raga never do nothing. Right? You remember that? Okay. People remember me not stay long tonight here. All right. One other thing before me see if anybody wants to send up any request. People, you don't know say, you don't know a long time Raga do this, don't. I'm done telling already say, in the years of doing this, I don't know mostly women listen to Raga, right? Right? And over the years, enough man no like me. Enough man no like me because them woman love listen Raga. You know, me used to it, you know. Enough man style me up and beat me and say all kind of things about me and sitting and whatever, you know. Regular thing that, you know, part of the course, right? Yeah. See more big up. Yeah. So a regular she can if she want to call in after me don't talk and talk, she can talk. But a regular call over here send me some things and whatever, you know. Where I don't know if I think our ex, right? And send me some things where him say, right? Now already several people who come. This always happening after a ragabash, you know. I'll kind of mix up bus pan people. People who come but no make them never want nobody know, so them dead and dead. People go put up video with them. So that go on already, you know. Several of them something that go on already, you know. I mean, I put the people, because them just share them things with me separate, you know. But this one, them I go share with you know. So, I'm not busy about this woman and her ex, you know. All right? But she share the exchange between she and him. So basically, him link her and say, our baby father, you know. So him link her and say, me just a paraphrase where, because she share everything with me, you know. Well, she I don't know if I everything, but she share what she share. So him start by saying, you know, so when me and you them, I never see you dress so yet. You never dress so nice for me yet. And thing. But you gonna dress so for Raga. And you never, when me and you there, you never dress so nice for me yet, but you gonna dress so for Raga. Then couple other one after him like him I say, I want to go on with you and Raga. Remember this man I just see her at the party, you know. I want to go on with you and Raga. Cause she give me all of them I come down, you know. Then when him gone and one I say, oh, you're Raga in a something. I want to know you're Raga in a something. Okay. Anyone next one come down. You're Raga in a something and you know so I don't like that boy there, you know. I never like him yet, you know. I don't like him yet from what they do. Now, as it turned out, 13 years ago, 13 years ago, she did call into me with a mix-up. This is just a caller, me respond to the caller, you know. No, first him say, you know why me never like Raga and thing from what they go and whatever, boom, boom, boom. And him say, all right, let me tell you whatever. Him say, yo, this is the words of the man using, you know. Him say, that man, they are my enemy. So when me I listen it now, me I say, because I know a man not like me, you know, whatever, you know. But me I say, then I own me could be him enemy. 13 years ago, she called me with some sort of mix-up about him. 13 years ago, and me did respond. Because, you know, my ladies, them call me, I go dead fear and whatever and thing and whatever, you know. And if you go through something, I go console you and so and whatever. 13 years ago. And the man said from that time, them, me I'm enemy. And then him say, I know yan raga de. Him say that, you know. Say, yeah, me say yan raga de now, you know. And him say, that man, and that make him my enemy. He must say that, you know. So he must say, based on where him see her a raga bash, and what she a wear, me I tell you when me a hear, you know, what she sent to me, and me a listen to me, and the man say, I'm an enemy that. No, follow the logic, people, because this is why me I share it to them. Because I tell you, other mix-up go on, you know, but I always intrigued with them look at something. So he must say, him ex, him baby mother, who him ex, come a raga bash, come a raga party, and dress in a way where she never yet dressed for him. And he must say, because of that, raga, I'm enemy. Me no like the man there. Me no like the man there and whatever. And him a go in a bag of things about me like whatever this. So it's me, and me are the bad guy. People, make it make sense. Make it make sense. Right? Make it make sense. Me could never understand that something, you know. Your woman call me or your woman come my event and thing, and you want to do me something. I mean, you want war and whatever. This like random people. I know tens of thousands of people who call and whatever this and that and thing and share them thing or whatever. And it's me you want come war. It's me. Them several times the man say me I'm enemy. Him said that, hey, I'm an enemy. Me want you know say I'm an enemy that. And boss me here say it look like you're listening show to an occasion. I don't know if I read a regular listener or whatever. So if you listen right, you know, just know say, yeah, me I pray you to hear. Yeah, me I pray, me I pray you to hear. Yeah. You're going too far with it, big man. Me no do nothing. You ever talk about who you never wear them clothes for me yet, you never dress up so nice to me yet the whole time me and you there and whatever. Me hear it, doggy. And then right after that, the man said, that make him my enemy. John, ay boy, them things that you go through when you do them something, you know. Yeah. And them things I go through, big man. Balance your thing, man. All right? Balance your thing, my youth. Balance your thing, my lad. Anyway, me not stay along, you know, so anybody who want say one no answer right, you know, no talk it quick because it's a early movement me I make and thing. Let me see if anybody, yeah, man. When you come up in a chat now, come say one no answer and thing, you know, and big again, enough thank you to all of who come ragabash and thing and the attitude wanna come with and the niceness wanna come with. Naval, big up, you know. See how far you're flying from. I will send me that coconut water there. Big up. Navi, where go on?
Me there.
What you say?
I have so much things to say right now.
So much. All right, go ahead. So yeah, say.
Raga. Anyway, you know, sir, the one Naval, as you mentioned, Naval.
Yeah.
Naval put me a regular, you know. Give me regular armband.
I mistake him, man.
Yeah, I true me like him, that's why I'm not gonna beat him, you know.
Nah, man, I mistake him, man. I'm not regular you pay for.
Yeah, but me not gonna say nothing. Him say sorry. Him say sorry. And he's SDC, so me can't beat him.
Yeah, you know, Naval have a gentle spirit to and thing, you know.
And you want to see me if you call him every minute, you know, come itch up over the other people them side. Me not call them name.
What? Him did over ANC side mostly?
Yes, every minute me fear tell him say come over.
Then I say Antasha come out and I say because you're regular. Antasha beat you.
Me see her. I'm not fear no mind.
Boy, I not care nobody want to say do about your yellow dress. Did I bust them head wicked? Wicked and thing. Kick with enough of them foot, yeah? Yeah. One big up Naki B dress, though. Naki B dress.
Yeah, she did have like a pink in there, so she did have.
No, she carry it good too. Because, yeah, some people wear some good outfit, but not know for racket, you know. And because of that, it look like judging clothes. Yeah. Now, I have some people we have some expensive designer thing, but them don't know for racket, and then they come like yard clothes, or what we in a Jamaica call judging clothes. You understand what I mean? Yeah.
All right, brother, let's proceed.
Yeah.
Friday. Did you remember Friday when one of the ants them did a crawl through? Claim said them a look for me.
Yeah, Friday when we did over so don't.
Yes, and them a crawl through, but them a you want hear them when me come back. Oh, we sit down out there. Nobody want a meeting because we're gonna get done-ins, we're gonna lose. Anyway, you remember what them t-shirts say?
Yeah. Run up and come get done up.
And them run and get what?
Done up.
Ow.
Them get done, no, better. And well on. Fear is fear, ANC. Remember, sir, una did that, sir, yeah. Una own it, them, but I think them copyright the phrase, run up and come get done up. And then put it on them social media thing, t-shirt and thing and whatever. And a big chat and tough chat. All right, Navlet. When them beat you a sports day, though.
Yes, and them go on.
Them beat you to get together, though.
Yes, and them go on.
Well, don't we take we beat now, say, yeah,
yes,
you know, whatever.
That make me call.
Yeah, we take we beat now, though. And you see it, SDC clot up them nastiness now, and whatever
and
thing.
And
them are going like them don't want to give away winnings and whatever.
Yes, them after like mothers.
Be a big chat to never done. Run up and come get done up. We have something for no. We have something for no. You see, watch and see. I saw CBS I deal with me now. We have something for you. See, you're gonna worry yourself, man. We have something for you. We have something. Be a chat. And when the ants them I get trampling at Ragashanti,
they get mad.
Don't get mad. You understand?
Black ants them turn
mad
ants. They're red with envy.
You know see Java wine and go down and couldn't come up back. You see it?
Yeah, I thought the people she's a big confused not win.
No, man. We're not paying them, no, man. We're not paying them, no, man.
Pop down. Where?
Yeah. Come on, on the pop down.
All of them come out like in a black. True black hands, them. Oh, not to be ever touch.
Yeah.
The black hands, them turn mad dance when them
be a black, them run out with like them low out the pink and thing. They never really a feature the pink, you know. Antasha in a black. Del Marine in a black, Java in a black. Naki B alone did a rock look a pink and I save the day for them and give them like, look a sitting and
these people supposed to be in pink?
Yeah, because pink are them lead color, you know. Yellow our lead color. Pink are for them lead color. You understand?
We did represent una in a blue for you and your favorite color?
Yeah.
Pink.
Yeah, you see it. You understand?
Yellow, we're yellow. Yeah. Me say, Raga, you see when you present the time to CBS?
Yes,
Raga,
man.
You duck me off a duck. That girl take the frying pan and get the time. One lick.
People. The SDC bring one little frying pan and one big something at time. The SDC bring a thing and whatever. You don't know, say the ANC them are the bun time crew, right? When them a cook them food and thing and then you know in a Jamaica we season and we, you know, look at garlic, you know, onion and whatever. Them put time, this one, and them fry them time when them a cook and all these things. And them are the bun time crew. So the SDC bring a frying pan with some time, you know, and present it to CBS. People, when the presentation make girl get bringle and that's where that you understand. Either earther. You understand?
We had to duck. Then, Then we friend mad man.
Then well no. Talk about the bull of them. Talk about the bull of them. With the name name with them name on the bull of them. Talk about the bull of them with them name. And talk about what the first person Mama answered with fear bulla. She fling with the bulla nearly bust somebody head to her till and kick the bulla and thing or whatever the way them get eaten.
Yo, the girl foot strong, you fret.
Yeah. What you say? The way the bulla they cook kick hard and Tasha foot them trying down.
Two times she kick the bulla, you know.
Yeah, two kicky bulla get a two kicky bulla get.
You want to see me now with me bad food? Ray, miss. I crack.
And then by we give the other bulla them with the rest of them name and thing. People, when we look at be a bulla through all about and thing, yeah. Yeah.
Then here the instigator of the whole thing. I love you, Antasha. Here the instigator of the whole thing, Java she.
Yeah.
Oh, remember I know as she tell we say we must accept we're losing from now, we know.
Yeah.
Hey girl, this trunk, I'm out the trunk Friday, you know.
Yes, man.
Hey,
run up and get done up. So them a deal with it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. So here what this girl now I gonna say out of her mouth, and I think she should have never said that. Oh, we don't come here for that. We'll dress up in our elegant clothes. So I wish you want to say we never elegant.
No. That is what they go. Poor loser.
Yes,
Poor
that's
loser.
Like it.
Which is very different from we. When we lose, we say, you know, say, then whap we up for true. We're not gonna lie. Then really whap we up for true. And we take it. Yeah. I think, I mean, I hear no concession from them, you know.
No.
Them remind me of certain people who, when them lose, certain people, when them lose the election, them refuse to say them lose it. We're not calling. Nobody put any name in our chat. Nobody put any, because somehow no enough and thing. I see them with them tongue. See them with them tongue.
Raga, this is when we say Trump again, we say we just some push.
Yeah.
We know. You know Bella.
No, you have to tell the people them what going. So people, what happening, you know, the SDC go out and throw out a whole heap of ants, you know? Well, little plastic ants. Throw out a whole heap of ants, and then them say, well, I'm not hear you.
Not the ear.
No, and then we play the elephant man, you know. Well, you know, trample him, and then the ants just run out and a trample be ants. People them head start hurt them run up and thing and whatever. I want to come save the ants them. I want to come save the ants them.
Me say them mad. Hey, them give us some push there.
No.
Yo, you see my little friend there, our little friend there, Bella. Remember she had the class one pound. If you ever see the push where the people them give me poor Bella.
Oh God. And that must be true Bella have a yellow, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
Then get a ratted push. Me see my friend a fly across the floor. The dance floor.
Yeah, the ANC, they're so violent.
Yes! They cannot take losses. It burn them ragged.
Yeah.
Can we talk about them decor?
Huh?
Can we talk about their decor?
But you can't talk about them decor, you go.
I want
you deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. Yeah.
I want you to go with the ABC box crew. I wanted to go with the baby shower boxes. Come on. Aren't we grown people?
Yeah.
Don't you see what we done on our side?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Come on. With some ABC boxes and glitter. Oh, on the still in on the baby face.
Yeah.
Where don't you expect to win with that?
we tell them move and go. Say, move and go. Move and go. Yeah. Left from your son. Left from your son.
Thank you, Squeaky. Mister. Them never ready.
People, ANC, we are mature enough to say, and ANC ever whap your people, them ever come good. When I lie, several times before and thing, then whap you up at TamFam Sports Day, then whap, when me tell us, and then give it to him, and you can assist and then put in, them have them meeting and them plan and them do them thing, and whap we up several times and thing. And SDC whap them up now right now, and them don't want to accept it and thing. But as them saying at Jamaica, God nah sleep. Okay. All right.
Oh, Lord God, me forget my train of thought. Something me that got talk about them, you know.
Yeah.
Soon come back.
All right, no worry yourself, man. All right.
I told me I listen to you, you know. I
Hush,
mean, never
hush,
want to
hush, hush.
interrupt you when you talk.
Yeah, man,
Lord,
it
no,
will
let
come
me
back,
come
man.
back. Yeah.
It will come back. It will come back. It will come
Oh,
back.
God.
But anyway, I just want to say blessings
Oh,
to.
yes. Charm and you know my thing go raga, right? So Charm, I want to say thank you. And what the other girl name again? Oh Lord. Me in
Tyler,
then
Tyler, Tyler.
not Tyler, the
Yeah.
other one.
Tyler
Them
work hard too, man. So you have to
before
big up Tyler too,
the
yeah.
other one work harder and Charm because sometimes Charm call me and well fed up, you know. And
Melody,
me get a call a while ago. Me say,
Melody, Melody.
Donna.
Dana, okay.
Yes, them when you know. Hey, as Mr. Somebody said, Munchi, hey, she quiet your fret. He sit down one night.
Mm-hmm.
She sit down one night, you know. I was wondering why.
No, because what happened is that when the thing knock her and whatever, she did have a look at
Yes.
no, she had a look at belly movement, you know.
Oh, yes, it's true.
Like
Hey, me
Jamaica,
crack them, you know.
I don't know where Jamaicans get this from, but Jamaica call it, say them have operation.
Yes, she had it.
Yeah. So she did have a look at belly movement and things, so she never want to want to load it up, but like when she sees the beat and reach her, a little, you know, bout of
Yes,
diarrhea.
the sport person.
Eh?
And the sport person was quiet too. I
Yes,
couldn't
yeah.
go near them, you know.
Yeah, man. They were subdued. They were subdued.
I couldn't go as me go over and I say hi, my friends. Them push me. Them don't want me go near them. Me say, but me say, me did have to rub it in. Me have to
All right.
rub it in like me a rubbing salt and lime in a them kin. Me I get the stain out. Them I say, oh, we delusional. But
No,
we did not get the stain out town. We
no
had
worry
take out the
yourself,
bad mind
man.
out town. No go away. No move
Exactly.
up.
Yeah,
Move up. Give me the
yeah.
winnings.
That's right. And
Thank
then me not know, but me did that quietly. I look out for them, you know, because me did just quietly have somebody send some Pepto over there for Munchie, but me
you.
don't know if she did get it, you know, some Pepto.
Me not think so, cause I know she not move.
She never, yeah, but the diarrhea did hold her properly and thing or whatever. So you have to understand and thing, bowel movements and things. And the pressure reach her and things. See?
Oh, and people, make sure tell the SDC and ANC, you know, is welcome. Please come. We are gonna support we little Raga little brother, our little brother too. On his birthday, and we're going to be there. And would the mind if it's a black gets like only did wear black. Make we wear black this time and only wear red.
Yeah.
Make we have one little competition this so too. See if it can go on.
Because in party are red and black, yeah.
Yes. So who wear the red? I make we wear the black.
All right,
Make
that's
we
a
see
word,
where we
Navi.
can go with this, so because
Blessing.
on not beat we again.
Never.
On not beat we again.
All right, Navi, big up yourself. Love and blessings, all right?
Bless up, Raga.
All right, cool. One SDC, Navi. Okay.
Bop.
Okay. Yeah, man, I want to big up the SDC again and thing and people, man, telling you, know, so the ANC, there enough time them whap we up and we take our whappings and thing, you understand? Because when ANC come out, them come out, you know, and them organize them thing, you know? So when SDC get them winnings and thing, man, them for just wallet, man. Yeah? People, you know, so this is all fun and games or whatever. This is an ongoing thing. Again, people just want to know, I'm not going to stay too long tonight, you know, because I have some things. So, but probably about like half or more. Bombard. People, about almost 12,000 people over Rosalie page, you know, so the whole thing, you know, hot up over there when I talk about and thing, you know. Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah. Liquid say Adele Marine make them lose. Liquid a beat Del Marine. I mean, crash out in ya. No, crash out, they look good, you know. Yeah, crash out, they look good. But crash out, I'm gonna say you're right. Yeah, you did look like a beard man and thing and whatever, you know. Like yeah, put on lotion too and sitting and thing like. Like, you know, if you clean up, man. I was surprised. Yeah. I was surprised. Can we think it go pop down, you know? So, yeah. Gosh, what's me did be in an aisle down and ski. Yeah. Big up yourself, man. You think that up. Cheryl, all you did a go on with yourself, you know. Yeah, man, Sid. I love on the phone just come on clean. Dr. Mark, sure. But yeah, I want to deal with this first. Because this person here, ex-man declare me.
Good night, TamFam.
Good night, Tracy.
All right, before me go no further, I must say it was so much of a coincidence, as I say, for me, Monchi, Java, and Delmarine book up coming at the same time as I did say.
Yeah, that was like
What you? I go on here, so.
because as you come in and it was a plan, you know, it was a plan. People that think say a Java and Munchi did that trail you or something like so, but I never that I go on. I mean, I saw it did look. So them are coming behind you.
It was too much of a coincidence. I did love it. You know,
well on. You think say them did that trail you for knocking at your head or something?
No, sir, I'm never afraid. Munchi come hug me when me tell Munchi say me sick. But me know what the Java like. Java come back like say Munchi must step on her toe before she come in. But
No. If Java listen to me. If Java not like you, Java tell you say she not like you.
No, me never say she not like me. So she come in vex. Vex.
Well, them didn't know them the kind of sense whopping where them did I get from the SDC, you know.
Munchi give me a warm welcome.
No, yeah, when me I say no man, them the kind of sense the whopping where them I get from the SDC. Remember I said them they come prepare them thing early and things. So them the kind.
You are not stay when on
listen to me. When Java see the initial decoration for the SDC, right? You hear say Java said then you know, cause you know, one of her sister them see her pull up. So then I ask her what she do. So she said, me pull up my underwear. She said, all of a sudden my underwear drop off of me. Girl lose weight same time. Girl lose weight same time as she see where this SDC put up on thing, Java lose weight same time her jaws a drop off her and thing or whatever. Me I tell you, lose weight same time. That's what the thing said and thing, all right? So probably that's why her face did crush up on all these things.
She and Delmarine never in a no talking, but you don't know Munchi a top girl.
Delmarine never that talk her thing, her boot did a squeeze her and things. So, you say Delmarine not to walk or nothing. She couldn't do no look walking and thing and thing. The boot did a blind her. If you look at Delmarine, you know, most of the time Delmarine stand up a really 1 foot she had to stand up on, you know, but you look like a two.
You know, then we come for me.
No, because she ease up 1 foot at a time, because sometimes she rests the right foot and the next time you look good, she rests the left foot and thing or whatever. Boot did a blind her, you know. Anyway, yes.
Yes, let's go to the meat of the matter now. So, me never know you listen to the thing. Anyhow, the baby father will always listen to you. I know him saying that. I know him. The one who always listen to you, I one with the broke foot. We're married 2 times. No, we send that. I the one who me tell about the 16-year-old, the one who make me have to run left Jamaica. One bag of something. Him.
No, what is this thing about a call 13 years ago where him say from them time that me I'm enemy?
Remember, Raga, me used to listen. I'm going to tell you, say me a long time listener, but when you come on TikTok, me a first time. Me did think me a first time call, like, God no, me never remember. Me dropped the story last week again with him and the 16-year-old.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
But what happened is, me put up my picture alone and my DP, my WhatsApp DP, because him can't see my status now, nothing. So when I put up the picture, I see man jump on my thing same time I say, when me sexy up I go. Well, that was the next day anyhow. So
I say, I no need for answer you. Me, you know them, me, you know nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Anyhow, he must say me for answer him. So I say, all right, me now answer you. I'm going to show you. So me now put on my WhatsApp DP without saying anything. The picture with me and you. And that's how me get device.
Oh, me never know that part there. Okay.
And that's how me get. And you are Raga there. And it look like a long time you're like Raga, you're Raga in a things. And if you're Raga in a things, tell me. Me and this man not dealing.
Yeah, because initially him like, me want to know, tell me.
All right,
But then later on down, him say, oh, you know, also, you and him there, you and Ragati. Him basically concludes.
Me say, me not answer you.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So I tell him I wasn't answering him. No, me not put Raga in a problem. Anyhow, me take it back down and put back me. So when now him realized, he must say, me know. So I say, no, me no know. And honest to God, I didn't even remember. And him said to me, say, oh, when time me and him did that, me call you and they tell you about the girl when did they with and you're doing bad pan ear and rinse him good.
And that him said to you?
Yeah, and that
me beat it.
in a device note too. He don't want
no, the part they never go into that detail. Yeah, the what you sent to me, him say me I'm enemy. Him don't like me.
Me an enemy. Not come true, but
and then him say the reason why, and him say you know why, and then him say you probably never did a respond to him, but then the next one him say. Yeah, the next one him say, yeah, when they call in and whatever from them time, I not like him, I'm an enemy. That
one day the way him say that's when me and him did there, that me did call you and tell you about the 16-year-old girl when did they with and you rinse him by your radio station and it will on come down pan him because apparently, and I remember the story after that, I called in, he was not around me, and wherever he was, he heard the story and him did really upset about it because him say after that him ate me. What? So at this, so he must say if I you me thing there, you know, your enemy and him hate you.
No. Him reach a point where it was a conditional after. After a while, him say, oh, so you and Raga there.
Yes, that's
what him say that. Him say you and Raga there. And him say more than one time him say Raga my enemy. The boy they are my enemy now because so me I say, but this not sound like an ex.
And me and him not there no. Me and him down there married. Him live wherever in a state. Him live with him wife and get picked.
No, but me I say, but a joke. Can me listen if say, can me hear a little tone there the way it might be joke, but you know, but there's another side when he must say.
Sometimes that get him aggravated.
Okay, no, but he was very clear in saying because you dress up. Him say you never ever dress so nice for him yet when you and him attack. And him say because you go dress up so for Raga and whatever.
No,
him say because
me go dress up so same one know who
no, and him say because of that Raga I'm an enemy. That man I'm an enemy right now. You know that boy.
That's after I see picture.
No, but what I'm saying, you know, him not beat you, you know, I mean him a beat.
Raga, that me say, me not answer him all now, you know.
Where ma beat me for?
But Raga, hear why foolishness. When me and him did that years ago, in the car me gone away, I see him one where did give the woman the 4,000 after I card and give me the 1,000, like him same one too.
Oh.
And him same one did have the fluffy when me did catch him with the fluffy and did beat him and the fluffy. Him same one.
Well, and a film dog didn't know the other woman and the dog them never know you?
No. That ex that did my very first one with Papi.
Oh, okay, all right.
When me even tell all the baby father with the broke foot, and me tell the baby father about him say, watch out where this idiot I come from, then where I must step to you for? He said, tell him for go and fry. I say, I'm not need to step to you because you don't to that baby father then know. You know? But the man just
again, I'm saying the man mad boy you about something and the man now say man done you and I mean the man depend the man I say me I'm enemy and this and that.
Because he must say me never dress for him so. Him never care me go nowhere for me dress for him so. And him never yet did rate me. If me did rate me, him always busy up and down with everybody. So when him come and me and him not there, you know how much years me and that man dead not there? Me in America 13 years now and he make me left Jamaica come America. I see him thing in the threaten my life and hold me up in my gas station through him and the police them my friend. In tell us me jealous time left me gone moving with woman and I lie him not do me nothing. And the 2 days that happened Wednesday the Friday me fly out. But yeah,
Oh,
Raga, you hear how ignorant him son? Me no stay, me no want him nowhere near me. No way.
but if him have problem with you, why him depend this thing? Raga my enemy no, Raga my enemy no, Raga my enemy. What?
Pum grievance.
Pum pum
Man
grieving.
married, pum grievance. A man married.
Tell the man say me ain't not there. Me ain't nothing or whatever.
Raga, me, you, and the whole TamFam know that. Me no
You
need
see.
to tell her ex when me and him know the fit much years. We are carry pum grievance for.
All right. Anyway, me don't know how early you come in, but you see,
Me see everything, man.
well, you see everything.
Me see all of them.
Okay, all right. And them tell me so I can't show it because TikTok
No,
or
don't show
whatever.
it.
Me not sure, but I just want to know them
Wait,
there.
one for me?
No, well, and
Daniel,
so
you that tell me to get one, you know.
no, so no, me go give them a door so people see it there. Me not just me know some enough for sure. Me just quickly see it there. See it there.
So
See
what the
something.
road part do? Me not know about them something. I can never use it.
People see it there, see something there. We never get to give them way and thing and whatever. But them there, we're going to get Alien one door. One I forgot Jamaica for Alien, you know. So she open the portal for letting the demons them do. No, but you know see what I go on. After we get Alien this, you know, this I go lick with Pink Fly, you know. Nah man, after Alien start juggle with this and thing, Pink Fly that go sound like a CMX baby father. Then.
Lord Jesus, God, you don't know. Me know say listen, me say me that fi send you. Me say everybody take a laugh. People say yes, girl, be it and just at their head.
Yeah.
Me and this man not there, and for always asking, he has my number because we have a child together, but I do not talk to him. He has no way of calling me. Can only text me on WhatsApp, and he can only see my DP, cannot see my status or anything.
Okay.
So, me no know what the grievance, but that's why when time
No, mama,
Java
good
say me
man.
have mad cow disease, Java see mad cow disease step to Raga.
Aye, boy.
Raga, I
boy.
had fun. I'm so sick, but I had fun.
Blessings,
and I'm telling
man.
you, I enjoy. I am sorry I didn't get to stay until the finish.
Yeah.
But me sick out and me I tell you, say me nah lie, me enjoy myself. Me steer on a back, steer far. Me didn't want meet and greet.
Yeah.
But, me sick, me never want nobody get sick on top.
Well, you said for your coming and thing, yeah. You said for your coming. But you did all I say you probably never did that come because you sick and you still come.
Raga,
So
me
give
tell you,
thanks.
you know one, no one, me take and me fight. I take DPH, I take everybody. Me say I fight it, you see? I decided to me I come and I enjoyed myself. To be honest, the experience was just overwhelming for her. I haven't been to any event like that in years.
Yeah.
And it was just of the ordinary, extraordinary, you know.
We give thanks.
And I love it. And everybody is happy. My friends who, a friend was supposed to come and her son graduated from the Navy too, and she was just excited. I had her in the loop over it all.
Nice.
Everybody glad to see me beard and dress up and come out.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man.
All right, now say a word. I'm want you big, because my beat squeaky all the while, so I want you big up the best dancer for the night.
Hey,
we're not talking about wind up and thing. Trini take that one. But no, man, give it up for Squeaky. Squeaky was a top dancer.
Round of applause, TamFam.
Yeah, you mean Squeaky, big up yourself.
When Raga come out with his black buckle out there, Mr. Squeaky say, I done, Mr. Raga out there doing, Raga did a dance good, like Raga can do movements.
No, but my dancing, a old man dance, a long time dance. A skank me skank,
You still that do more than
skank me skank, yeah.
Yeah, I mean tell us say Squeaky do everything in
Squeaky a dancer, man, yeah.
Squeaky turn up the floor, Squeaky come like him a Zionist. Me did think Raga a Zionist, but Raga do it.
No, hold on, whoa. That Squeaky in the part there, him never.
Are you and glamour?
Remember, you said the lady who did have the young lady who did have the ballad, like she have the Zionist thing, the revival
she
thing,
did
she
that
have
one.
it. But that's not squeaky. You can't know.
Squeaky
So
did
this
that
is
do
before
little bit of
squeaky.
it, but
No, yeah, squeaky the part the squeaky now. But you see the take for yourself and them some squeaky bad man, squeaky bad man.
Squeaky,
Yeah,
inflexible.
yeah,
People squeaky, me nah lie, me rate squeaky cause him have the vibes. If you have an event,
yeah.
invite squeaky because him full of vibes.
And about go on like you know want say it squeaky come there with a pretty girl.
Hey, Raga, squeaky to
Yeah.
the party.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Raga,
And hold on. Squeaky did just in one t-shirt and one jacket and one, but Squeaky did clean, you know, and things suit sit down parliament neat, you know. Yeah. Now Squeaky did represent. We beat.
Yeah.
That's why we tell the ANC them
one
for take
pretty
out
girl
go to our
represent
book
Squeaky.
because we beat Squeaky when Squeaky forget beat. Now see you know we rate him when him forget him rating
And I
and thing.
must say too, for Cooker, me like on call him up and introduce him to the crowd. People Cooker come with him date. The party did nice. Me nah lie.
Yeah.
It was
man.
It was real fun. It was, and I must say congrats to the SDC crew.
Yes.
The liquid, me no know. Raga never be good know. Me no know why I'm never rate to know.
Who?
The liquid.
Liquid is not a owner, it was just in private space.
Ah.
With him friends. Hold on, no. Liquid no in no competition with nobody. Him just having private space with him and him friend them.
Also, because I see the banner there, you know.
No, Liquid money tall up, so Liquid can pay for that for himself.
Well, me just in a game, so me no know.
Yeah, okay, so no, the drama is between ANC and SDC. Liquid just pay for him own a thing, and him bring him friend them and thing because Liquid money long.
Right, tall up, Liquid.
Yeah.
Myself, yeah, Liquid. But I must say that SDC stood up no. I'm not like Navlet, you look good for big woman. Navlet, you look good for big woman.
No, why people always phrase them thing this?
No, you have. I don't know her age, but I would assume.
No. What it implies is that big woman generally don't look good, so Navlet look good for big woman.
You have some big woman where trust me, them don't.
No, but what I'm saying is big woman them, in my opinion, them know for dress more than enough of them young as and whatever. But when you say they look good for big woman,
what I meant.
Okay.
She look young for a big woman age. That's what I meant. She presents herself on a younger version, and she's not, she not outrageous or anything, but she look very young and very sexy for her age group.
All right then.
That's what I meant by look good for big woman.
Yeah, all right then.
Elian, I love you. I miss you. I'm sorry you never did it because I know you and Chumpy that bust down the whole floor. But guys, have a wonderful night, and I'm looking forward for many more. Me not care about no baby father because everybody live their life.
Seeing? It goes some man. Seeing? Blessings, man. All right, Tracy. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, cool. People, so I never get to see if Crash Out can dance. That Crash Out is clean, Yeah, man, she clean to her step, But I never get to see if she can dance. Well, anybody did see if Crash Out dance? Anybody did see Crash Out dance? Let me see if anybody said. So blessed Squeaky, you come right next to me a few times. You just never know it's me. Oh, Squeaky never know who Ver was. Hey, well, let me see if anybody did see Crash Out dance. Crash Out, I was dancing, but my knee no good. Tracy said, yes, she was in the back dancing, but she can't dance more than when she can dance. Anybody who say Crash Out dance, she can't dance more than when she can dance. Mama Bird, SB, so glad everyone had a nice time next year. Nah, miss me, yeah. Yeah, we are going to have it next year and take care of go someplace else, but... Yeah. Craig, time big up yourself, Crash out some I can't dance, I can't wine. Sure. I love that. Raga have a pick with Tav. Baby lips, man. Okay. Okay. All right. Me see what people are getting me nasty too long. Me have to go leave in a little bit and thing. And tomorrow we have a regular length show and thing. But okay.
Hi.
Yeah, somebody whispering before you attack.
I'm here with someone who would like to say something to you.
Lord Jesus Christ.
Yeah, thanks we take Delmarine and let me address something first, because I don't want nobody else come tell no more lie on me. Tracy, let me deal with you first and get you out of the way. Me never make up my face after you're ugly, me ugly.
People are Java from the ANC attack. Okay, all right.
Yeah, and Tracy, remember me did hug you up and you tell me say you're sick and the baby sick and you're not stay. So not tell no more lie on me for the rest of the night, Tracy. Get that. All right. Next thing, you can talk about with man and look at Tracy, me done with you and you're a mad front and then something because them the man there where you attract me, I don't know which demographic them come from. Done with you now, Tracy.
Moving right along. Moving.
I mean, I want to feel Tracy be for you. Yes. Moving right along to that woman that can't even turn up good. Well, one combo says she have whining competition with me. When me I fear tell so she need to calm down the wine and take time, go down. Where me don't know which part of the wine she reach and stop. Yeah, how when me reach and go and I look fear, me still
I'll show you some fear, you know. Just like when I say SDC win, I'm going to show you some fear. And somebody can say whatever. When the whining competition are going between you and Navlet, and you know it's a Navlet at SDC, you are ANC, it's a Navlet there on my side. Navlet, I love you, but we have to tell the truth. Navlet, when you and Java whine and go down, and Java keep up our back. And Java wine and go down. And Navlet, when you wine and go down, and when the knees start ball out, Navlet, you bend over.
Me not laugh.
Navlet, you bend over. When I look over, me say to cross, you know, Navlet, the SDC, say, I have a cheer everywhere, but you know, see Java go down with a straight back. Navlet need them a beat out her ass over there, man. So Navlet, when Java go down, so Java go down straight. Navlet, you start go down straight to them. But when the knees start, get Navlet see you know, and you start bend over so. And Navlet, when Java go down and her face up, I hear body that up in her ear because you couldn't go down with the knee, Navlet. Oh God, Navlet, you know something there by your side. But we didn't see it, Navlet. You bend over and money look like because when for people don't know this song here, whine and go down, if you whine and go down, right? And you know they have a long time something a dancer when them say stay down there, girl, stay down there, stay there. And Java clutch down there, Navlet. Me not gonna lie, me not take it from her. I ain't see them, I like it, ain't see them. I mean say SDC, but Java hold it down there. Navlet, when you bend over and thing and whatever, because she said they need them, they have beat out your ass and think. All you could have do a bend over so like you push cat and sit the hands and the Navlet. Me see it, man. So we are give Java ratings because you know I'm stand up and say SDC win. You just look good at everything, but that little dance clash, them and cross, I look over me and say, boom, Java boss already, right? But the SDC, me say same way Navlet, okay, but me I keep it 100. Okay, go and talk Java.
But no,
okay.
me never did I compete with Navlet, you know. I was there just dancing by myself, and Navlet keep on for the whole night one competition, and I'm saying like Navlet, I am not there, I'm not into that tonight. Not tonight, darling. Right? Yes. Yes, and then me hear Navlet come over here and talk about say we have glitter. She don't know if I feel with glitter or something. Bling something pan with decoration them like
Which part? Uno did say we have glitter. Remember say the birthday when them not celebrate.
No, well on. You know, say your sound look a bit too heated, you know.
Yeah,
Listen what me I
eat
say.
it because
Balance.
now they come on the phone and tell
Balance.
lie. I mean, not like lie.
No.
Yes,
But I take it too serious,
Raga.
Java. Hold on.
What kind of serious? No.
Well on. Somehow the thing then they shiny and glitter over there.
We never have nothing shiny, no, Raga.
One liner man.
No.
The ANC, the ANC box them wanna have. They have a little shiny thing to it. And that have let
No,
refer
the box, listen, Raga, the box is gray with the balloons inside and the light.
Mm-hmm.
We not have nothing shiny because no, Raga, you know a joke we are. We not know when me say yes, me upset. Yeah, no, another fight something there. No, because me I say the lie there when Navleta tell. Yes. So me I say with the glitz and the glam when not Navleta talk about. Remember say the party where they must celebrate for you and that did a phone team, you know, glitz and glam. Because I won't say glitter the night, you know. I who did have the glitter them, so all the glitter reach over ANC when I uno did that glitter.
Yeah, we did a shine. SDC did a shine. Our
yeah, that means say uno did that glitter and bling a blind we never need so much
nothing wrong.
Yeah, so that's
Marsha.
Nothing wrong with that.
Marsha bling. Tyler bling. Huh?
Wait. Delmarine, I thought well I stop the little bit. A tough chat here come with Delmarine. Delmarine, I come here coming at the war with tough chat. I come here coming at the war with tough chat.
I'm over here packing. I'm minding my business. Sorry.
Okay, you leave that to Java here and your thing that you can't manage that here. Go and tend to your act them where you ride here, Delmarine. You leave the tough chat to Java alone here. Because the whole night you did your knee never been not even one time, Delmarine. Not even one time your knee them and you turn up straight like a pole in the boot them because you know that everybody said listen that the boot there. All when the ANC broke out and things. See you Delmarine when the ANC broke out, see you.
I was protecting my split.
Right? What?
I was protecting my split, honey.
Yeah, that was a deep split for true. That was a deep split for true. Anyway, so, leave the tough chat to your sister Java here.
Yeah, so what Navlet never if you come talk about no glitz and glamour with we glitz blingy because that did that uno theme. That did the party theme.
You can't tell a woman what she for talk about.
No, but Raga all part for case cause say them body black.
No, Navlet absent. She SDC and she absent. She know where she has to leave the woman alone. You sound hurt.
Yeah, me hurt because guess what? Uno come with cake where I'm sure Mary make that cake the phone. Mary we couldn't spell her name. Yeah, because guess what? Uno not say the birthday never spell good.
What?
Uno not say the birthday never spell good.
Oh, the birthday did spell.
BITHDAY.
What?
Clock it. Yeah, BITHDAY. Go look back. Look again.
You never see right. You never see right.
Never did I see right?
The R did stand up in the trunk.
Where? I'm married make your cake. Clap that.
What? You never see right. You never see right. Yeah.
You have no focus to that one.
Nah.
Well, no gonna marry cake.
No, you're blind to some letters of the alphabet, which includes R.
Look.
We're moving right along. We don't talk about that. Moving right along.
No, come with all kind of something. Navlet, you can't stand up good. Navlet, you can't walk. You, Navlet, come here. Come sit down here side of me. And don't make me talk when me not talk tonight.
What?
If I were you, Navlet, I would never come over here come talk anything about ANC.
What you mean? Why?
Never for Navlet do. Leave that to somebody else, Navlet.
Why? No, the woman can't talk what she want to talk. You're out of order.
I don't stay like her, so I'm not going to out her out here.
What you mean out? What you mean? No, what?
You know what me know company tell lie upon me. After me, I look out for this hungry woman, ever hungry. She ever hungry.
What?
And me Me, what is a big reputable member of the ANC.
Yeah.
I look out for Hungry Belly Nada. Right? Nada, come over here tell lie on me. Hungry Belly Nada.
Now let them a beat you. Tick up your skin. Now let tick up your skin, yeah, mums. Tick up your skin. Tick up your skin.
Layered up. Forget layers.
Yeah, tick up your skin, yeah, Navlet.
Hey, you see, you Navlet. Hey, you have to relate it to Judas. You Navlet. You have to know Judas from somewhere.
No, you know, so me nah go there so and thing and whatever. Me no know that man. So.
Yeah, man. She is a Judas. Right, I know your name Judas. You Navlet. I go a black and delete out of my phone.
No, you can't listen to me now.
What?
You can't, do not confound the thing, you know, because remember, so we are still one TamFam, you know, so if not, hold on, so if Navlet is relating to you at times as a TamFamer, you don't go distort it now and go say,
you cannot tell me
hold
what
on,
to do, sir.
hold on,
Right.
if Navlet is relating to you as one TamFamer to another TamFamer, do not distort those interactions now, weaponize it now for suit yourself here, so now.
Move your backside. Let me talk when I want to talk.
Oh, come in and know what all this Judas thing come in and thing, whatever, you understand?
Yeah, because you come over here tell lie upon me about food, about me. You know, so all I was doing was looking out for Navlet. One of the time I think said Navlet have diarrhea and something I plan to go Walgreens, go get something for her. All I did was care for Navlet. That's all. No, but that's the biggest, that's betrayal at its highest
no,
level.
Java, you torn Java, me I tell you the truth, you torn an edge spanner I go over so.
No, a top tier.
Java. You torn an edge.
When Navlet say, that me I tell you.
Then I probably can't charge you upon you.
Yeah, then that me say all I did was care for Navlet when Navlet attacked.
But Java, you sound like it upon the edge of that something there.
No,
it feel right to me. It feel right to me.
Are you take it that way? Because me not did that so. Me not did that so. Me I say when Navlet a contact about me say. You know, when I say to Navlet, me say, Navlet, look how me I look for you.
Java, other people say you sound hurt. There's a little personal thing there.
People entitled to
Java, there's a little personal thing there.
No, nothing personal. I did a rag of them.
Java, I'm just telling you, people say she sounds strong. Somebody say you sound hurt. I mean, I hear it to Juice, say she sound. We are here a little edge there, so Java. We are here a little edge. Java, listen now, we are here a little edge. We are here a little edge.
So I come after you, me know say me no edge no did they come. Navlet now call my phone and me and Navlet the pan phone and gossip and talk and them something. That's never it. So that me I tell you no. That's never it. All me say when Navlet come and I say me say whatever to our Friday night. No, I like Navlet I tell. Then that's why me a counteract when Navlet say, me say to Navlet, say Navlet, me I look for you to give you food. And me say Navlet, you out there, I plan with demise when me I look out for you. And that me say to Navlet. So that's why me I say Navlet a Judas. Yeah, no, nothing serious. And Navlet no. If Navlet we should talk the truth, Navlet no. Because we did that joke, Raga.
All right then.
Anybody would have nothing personal, I would have your Raga. Yes. Yes, you.
No, you can't beat me. I mean, you for beat.
You. Because when you come at about Cabana, I mean not plan for go there so. Because when we did a plan, no. But decoration, no. So me not upset with Nathan Navlet. Yes.
All right.
Why, Mom? Excuse me.
Oh, one more thing. Oh, Navlet there talk, but we not all black. No, Navlet, we never in a all black. We no not say good. We had pink shoes, pink bags, pink nails. Yes. Yeah, only somebody never have pink was me and Delmarine because our outfit never did go with the pink. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and if you don't notice, Papa and Selena in pink tie too. Yes. We chose black and pink.
Okay.
Yeah. That is it. No hurt feelings, not the day.
Sham say I'm out later. All right. Okay. All right, thanks. That's it?
Yeah, Raga like me no, yeah, everybody my advice big and whatever, like no vexation. Cause what did they feel vex about?
It's okay. It's okay. We're all good.
Of course.
All right, then cool.
No, take me down.
Okay. People, we a TamFam, you know, we have a little fight and thing or whatever, but we're all good. Trust me, we're good, right? And there's nobody more loyal you can have in your car than Java. Trust me, partner, one. Let me say it again. There's very few people you can have more loyal and supportive of you than Java, whatever. But you talk about somebody who like just look out for people and, you know, sacrifice yourself and whatever over and over and over and over and over again and think loyal to the core. But that's what I'm thinking I go sometimes and get spicy and sprucey and thing like that, you know? And it is what it is. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. All right, let me see what I go on here. So one and thing.
Good evening, Raga.
What go on, Kavi?
Not a thing. What a way the party did nice.
Yeah.
You know,
One bag
me
of
say me
something,
feel
one bag
good
of
sweet,
something.
yeah, special when they put me on the dance floor and bust two wine. I never know say you can't wine in a Raga.
Don't.
Me say, Lord, the two wine we bust for me, Lord Jesus.
Yeah.
Me say, girl in a heaven.
Then that you're flying all the way from England for.
Me say, Raga. Me say the party nice, no rotted. I can't tell you how we end the night to, you know, me get what me want in a Raga. Me say, Jesus, people say romantic, bombastic.
No. So why you do it and talk?
Because me love chat, you know, see me chat everything. That make the
No.
people them know. Me say
No.
people, you never see the girl in the party. Lord, me say she a go some wine, you see. A squeaky give me a glimpse. Lord God, the party look nice.
No, we had fun.
It
Fun.
looks
And that is
so
what we want.
nice.
People enjoy
Yeah, man,
themselves and we had
congratulations to the
fun, you know. We
turnout.
had fun, you know. We had fun and thing, you know. Squeaky take you dancing, you know.
I say,
Squeaky
my
take you
God, next
dancing.
time you sub it.
Oh, yeah, we see. Yeah, that's an option, yeah.
That me did that say now, me imagine myself, and I bust two wine pan you, just like me did. I can't tell you so the wine them sweet. You see, me never know so I saw you bad for your waistline. Me enjoy the wine them Raga.
No, but me not too bad for my waistline like
now,
that, you know.
especially after party, Lord Jesus. Oh, party
You see it.
You can be one of them expensive hotel. I mean, I know the name, but you can be one of them.
Yeah, good bed and proper bed, you know. Not too soft, not too hard. You see it. I make you hold the windowsill, no. I make you hold the windowsill, no.
And
Yeah.
the poor neighbor, them a look over and I say, I want to go on. I would just say, Irie, man, Irie, everything Irie around here.
Because you just push out your head out of the window and thing and I go on with yourself, you know.
My imagination wild.
You know, creme de la creme say, why you talk Raga business? Yeah.
My imagination wild, Mr. Raga. You know, you see you? You look nice in your yellow, though.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. You look glowing like sunshine. You look like a happy man.
Yeah, I am a happy man.
No.
The yellow I rep for SDC color yellow, you know? Yeah. SDC color, yeah.
Yes. And the girl, I know me, but you me enough. But you know the girl tell me everything. Somebody just attack it like a me. And the girl, who never see her at the party.
Yeah.
She there. On the stay there, so Raga makes you feel very good. Cause Raga call on him and bring her up on the dance floor and bust two and pan her. But the girl wait up her jazz and turn idiot. She couldn't wait for the after party. Where by the time I reach the after party, she swoke.
One on there. You see, let me tell you what Tab was. 2 times him say, him go on good coffee, him ask you if he go on good. And then the next time him say, but Raga weak, man. So,
no, man, Raga never weak at all. The girl tell me. She said, Raga waistline, Lego. It's free.
All right. That's right.
And when you cock her up on the window, she said, free.
Yeah.
When him just dip under it,
who just said Jesus Christ around you?
I mean.
No, somebody there near you and say sitting there. You sure?
I mean.
Are you? Okay.
I may be the girl, I don't know, one away. I want away.
What's
that? I was a night now when I Raga after 1 in the morning, you know.
Me know up there England. Sonia say, if Kavi will Raga, he say, I done it done.
WD-40 have nothing upon him.
Yeah, a proper thing that reach me in a Sonia. I just did right this in your Kavi call me.
You know, me take on the first call, but I can't remember exactly what she said. But nonetheless, remember when me do and say, listen, man, I'm me alone look Raga, you know. When me did there, nobody else not yet. Oh, the woman man. Sir, me there. Yeah?
What?
Right. So Raga no need to look on your lady. We are check the Raga for the bride self. Me there. Oh, you don't know about me.
Okay.
You don't know about me, sir.
Yeah, talk to him there for me.
With him
talk to him there for me.
Me there, Raga no need to look on your ex, I should say, because she don't want you neither. One go sit down in your seat. Me there.
Right.
Backside.
Yeah. A man say me an enemy.
About me. And nobody Raga about me.
See it.
With the lookings.
You understand? A man want come warm me just because him woman come event and dress up in a way where him says she never ever dress with. What?
Me know you never see her, you see the girl instead.
That's right. I just the girl me did a pre. Whole night.
Right self.
I just the girl me did a pre whole night.
Right there, so. And him come with him enough self. Sir, we there. Me and she, we there. The girl.
You see. That's right. So him for us.
Look for your ex-missus.
For us fall back.
We don't like you neither, sir.
The man said me I'm enemy. And several times the man said me I'm enemy.
With them old thought, I said, what kind of enemy? Me there. I mean, I know you. So Raga's not supposed to be your enemy. I'm alone do that. I might show up a star.
You see it?
Oh.
Make a guy know, yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
I know Raga alone, yeah?
Yeah. Oh. And the one Tava come fast with me too, you know, even though you're a big friend. No, but what do you say Tava mix up and things so you for weary him and all them things.
Yeah,
did a mix up.
You tell me after I come and I pick up for him, I say Tava good man, Ray.
Yeah.
And you want me, no, I never listen.
Until
me hear myself over YouTube. And then me hear Tab come on. And Tab tell us some story when I go so. You say no, stop wicked. You're wicked and bad, Tab.
Oh, so well on. All them something the way him say about you and whatever about when him attack you, nothing no go so.
Not a thing no go so, Raga. You know, so me never know me say about me buck up myself over YouTube to backside.
See.
And then me hear Tab come on. Me say what we there when me and Tab have them conversation and them things are go.
Oh, by the way, for people who don't know, she's making reference to my YouTube channel where all of the TikTok show them, right? It named TamFam TV.
Yes,
TamFam TV. So do remember, say all of the show them from over here. You know, them over there. So. Yes. TamFam TV, the full show them.
Over here, go over to YouTube and TamFam. You
exactly. Tava wicked, man. A germs, man.
I laughed him a week. Tab say me never look. Tab talk some sitting, say me. Hey, Tab, you?
Yeah, what about they go about never look? What about they go about never look?
Me said, me go talk on him.
Yeah.
But him never look. Me said the man jump up alive. Me go tell Raga say I saw you look. Yes. And
yeah.
I know me say.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah,
look,
a
when he
wicked
get up, he
man.
look.
All wicked man.
I
All
can't tell like
wicked.
me. Me say the man can cook a story where me if you wonder, no, I when me on top of them conversation, yeah, when this go down.
I make him make up everything, though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I never know say me a informer. You never know say me a that.
Yeah.
Yes, more see you tomorrow.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. No, so me not see you tomorrow on the screen. We are jump like a jumpy, so we not there about America, man.
I'm not jumping.
Don't worry yourself. When we reach, you shall know.
That's
When
right.
are we going to find you? Is it a me or the girl? When are we going to find you?
Yeah, fine.
So no jump your seat. We're going to see it on the show.
Let me make
All
sure
right, sir.
choke out your ass. You see what chance.
Jesus Christ. The Raga make you go out with me, sir.
I'm just saying.
Jesus, you man, all the tone of us. Raga, stop it now, man. You see you? You see you? You don't like your style, Raga. You don't like your style.
One coffee, man. Big up
People will tell
yourself.
Raga saying can't do them something there to me.
All right, one thing though
I
before you
was
go.
not overlate to you, no, Raga.
No. Well, you know what I say? Respond to this. So somebody link me and beg me, say, don't you come and know. She said, sometimes I ask people if I can go back and bring such and such on the show. So I think she was anticipating that. She said, you can bring it on the show, but for God's sake, don't identify me to her. So I said, you know, some not do that generally, but she said, no. So she said, Saraga, you don't really go start to Kavi, you know, so Kavi bore up. So I say, what that have to do with what? She said, them bore people, them not too right, you know, them. I say, you know, I say, that is a stereotype. I say, me know several of them people, even man. Man over here in America, well, probably in England too, of course. Who them bore up, and it's some of the most peaceful, you know, people just have these kind of stereotypes.
I can give you the perfect example, my daughter. She love her tattoos and she love bore up her ears.
And she look,
I'm one of the most decent human beings I could have ever come across.
See that? No, a lot of people them who them have the stereotypes that if people
road, no bagger, no in and a mix up. I mean, I not sure my daughter.
Yeah.
Me proud of my achievements and I'm picking them. Decent people them. And if you see her, you da judge her because she love her tattoo them and her piercings.
No, a lot of people out there, them have this thing I say, if people tattoo up or if people bore up with them. Nowadays, you have this one in the nose now and all them something there and whatever. Them just assume say those people are like really weird and crazy or something like that. Or some of the most peace. Yeah.
Some people like what them like.
Yeah.
I mean, like my bore up.
Yeah.
Remember the man could choose still, yes?
Yeah.
Because the man and I look for the man for him sure. And talk about the girl and I can sit now, right? It's money that.
No, but that's fun. Never know that. Anybody who know it name that time.
Darling, if you get to know me, yeah.
It look like Cookie Man stress semi peaceful too. So it look Cookie Man stress you tattoo up or you bore up or both. She semi peaceful too. Right? So it look like she get it too or whatever.
No man, I tell a decent young lady in our own look world. I tell you now you're in a mix up. My daughter not take people, man. She not in a war with nobody over. You understand me? I come from them look careless like none of them something they Raga. None of them seem the decent human being. Yeah, man. And she not done a good job too for her young age.
For your daughter, right?
Man.
Blessings, man. Respect her honor
for yourself, man. So, you know.
Respect her honor to her.
People. Live and learn too.
You see.
In this day and age, you never know. You can't just assume say people stay a certain way because of certain things. But I know nothing. Me not watch no face. Me always get it to me bore up. But me like me bore up. So nobody can knock my confidence. You understand?
Yeah.
Me not done yet neither. By the time Raga get this, the dung just a bore up and the two one put up bore too. So me not done yet.
Well on. So wait, 1 and 2 borings there, sir?
Not yet. My
Not
intent
yet.
now
Okay.
to buy the kit.
That
Yeah.
not well, that not. I mean, I may sound like a little naive person,
Me believe in
but
a
that not.
DIY.
Hold on, but that not got cause little problem, potentially.
I don't know. What do you mean?
Deso, if Deso go board.
It's gonna be on top of the right above the man in the boat. Me want it.
Oh, above Deso, so I know.
Yeah, me know. My lab. I went in the labida. Whatever. No, thank you. No, thank you.
labia, yeah,
That's
okay,
it.
yeah, okay.
Somewhere along the line.
No, but say some people board, woman board Deso door. Right at
I
the
know,
right
that's
at
what
the
I'm
living
saying.
room,
I
at the
did
living
my
room door.
research.
Yeah, and
I
them
realize
board.
that them bore up all parts and have different names and kind of sitting and them tell you which ones are more easier to eat and rare and all of them something there, which one more complicated and stuff. So I choose the one that me want, which is the one we're more easier to deal with, which is just above the man in the boat.
No, but what I'm saying, that area is just so sensitive and so, compared to the rest of the body that, I just wonder if when somebody do that, if they, if they will make themselves, susceptible to, certain unpleasantries, I just wonder.
Oh, no, I just want the cuteness. That's it.
Okay.
Yes, just the cuteness.
Yeah.
Just the cuteness. Raga, you don't want to say me, I like beat up.
What?
I like the one that eat up.
You like beat up.
And a whole lot of eating.
A whole heap of beating, though.
That I like a little bit of eating and a whole lot of beating.
So like eat and beat and then eat and beat again, and like that something.
Yeah.
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 Well, one woman, long time something. But not me. But me just I say, well, here's one. No one. The standard fear out there apparently is eat and beat. Like it's like a general thing apparently. You know what I mean, right? So a lot of people, when I do them thing, it's like eat and beat and that's it. And whatever. But she was thrown off because the man eat and beat, then eat and beat. But my thing was I say, yo, women love that. What are you talking about? And she's like, really? I mean, I'm like, yeah. I mean, probably you not like that, but
I wouldn't say I don't like it. You make me. I've always gone for the eat then beat. If you get what I mean.
Yeah, but fear thing was eat and beat, fine, But see, her thing was like eat and beat, but her thing was like then you go eat again and then beat. So she was just like.
I can't seem to adjust my head around the eating part.
What do you mean? What?
I can't seem to adjust my head around it, like to accept, say. I don't know. Remember, say, the world over growing a raga.
Yeah.
Things that wasn't allowed, you know what I mean? It was
when we are, yeah.
So even though I crossed over in the world at 29 years of age, I was 29 when I crossed over in the world.
Yeah. Oh, that time you get. Oh, you're still. So it's not a big deal. So it's not a big deal for you to get that.
No, I'm not have to get it.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't have to get it, and you have to be that special to get it back from me.
Right.
Yeah, which like, I don't know who that gonna be because the only somebody that are the three pitney them pooper.
No, but say you have a lot of women now, if that not in the game, the man can't even come chat to them,
Me know a lot of them.
No man, there's a woman them say no. If you like, not gonna do that, like forget about it. A whole heap of woman nowadays. But at the same time too, would you believe you have women who don't want it, but them love do it?
Yeah, that too. Me know a few of them there where they. Some of them damn too much to man everything you want them. Jesus Christ, man.
Well, you have that side too. But you have women who don't want it from the man. You have women who don't want it from the man, but them just love doing it to the man,
It's not that who don't want it from the man, it's just that must struggle.
Well, no. Simply put, do you enjoy? Do you enjoy?
Yes, but me just go see I probably name other people and me not like them something there. Me very me not like bow dog. Me not like the one who walk and yam and it doesn't mean so now because somebody with me that way, and I mean so I go on all kind of people, but my head goes there. You understand me? I come from?
Right.
And yeah, and then I feel uncomfortable and I don't know, but it's not something that I have to have.
So you basically, I say, if a man, you know, mind it, but if him do it in your mind, you say, oh, so this
Look,
could
him
probably
like
be
that,
like how him stay and him a do it to other
like,
people.
not enjoy the food too much. Not enjoy the food too much. Me I go pray you.
No, but you say, but women know whatever this and that them like it when the man enjoy it and him throw him all in it. But this is my advice to people with that, you know, because you have some people who have some interesting, they claim it's principles that they live by. And my thing is, you know, to be practical about the day and age we're living in right now. So the likelihood that, you know, you're going to date somebody who never do them something there or whatever and thing. I just think it's minimal. So I don't think people should even think about that or whatever. It's just like when you talk to somebody, if you just see if them clean, you know, if them brush them teeth, if them clean, and just work with that because
I know, you know, so I know nothing about cleanliness for me.
No, I'm just suggesting that.
Yeah, let me give you a little secret, Raga. Yeah. The girl tell me say, yeah, when she used to deal with her baby father, yeah. She used to only do it on special times. Only birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas holiday, only special times. One day, yeah, she never knows, so the man I notice, because the man knows that she's miserable, and when she says she not do, she means she not do, and that's the end of it. So one day, she go hear the man, something she talk already to her friend, and I say she only do them something special time. But she never knows, so the man observe the situation like that deep. So one day, the man go bust out and say, I'm tired of this. Him can't bother with no special time eatings, me say.
Yeah.
The man said can't bother with no special time eating. Listen, the girl don't like it, all right? She don't like it. Everybody
so the girl did that just
like and some don't like, you understand?
So
There's
the
no
girl
enjoyment in it for the girl more than to see the man enjoy himself. So she don't like it. So she only do it special times. And she cannot manage it neither. You understand? Fear gag reflex not too good. You understand? And people expect things where she cannot produce. You understand?
So hold on. If you say you don't like it, but you just do it because the man did want the girl. If the girl don't like it and she did just do it because the man did like it and she just do it at special time or whatever. So then when the girl did do it, then it was just a task for her because she not enjoy it.
Exactly. Yeah. That's how it feels most of the time. 1 and 2 times it feel like it's supposed to feel, yes. But most of the time it was like a task. So obviously that's gonna be off-putting for anybody.
Yeah, men are like sensitive to that. Yeah, men are sensitive to that. Yeah,
something that you don't want to do, you don't enjoy it.
Yeah.
Some people just no, she don't like it. Me don't like it neither. Me and Rawa, we don't like it. We're not a fan.
You and the girl not like it, so but
we don't like it.
But balance up your thing, you basically say you not like it either. You not like get it either, no, your thing forget it either, you know.
It's not like it's just that I don't have to. She don't have to. We don't have to.
The man don't have to.
No.
Okay. So it's not a thing for her, you know? Right. It's not a big deal for her.
No. If we cross the bridge there, but that's what I'm saying. I don't know who can be so lucky to rot it. Forget me or the girl if say, but we are go down them level there. I don't know we're very skeptic with remote. Is what I'm trying to say. When we decide to come out and go be bad and try out things, we did there with the baby father. You understand? We did with the baby father for a long time. The ex-husband, we was with that one for a long time. So we might not venture nowhere. You understand? So since when the one they left now, we might been locked up for a long time, gone back to virginity state. So we don't know who are gonna be so lucky. If you can draw out this amount, you say, me like you enough to. We're more very skeptic. Very, very skeptic.
Okay.
We're more very skeptic. So all who see the snake eye piercing and the one in the middle, cause I'm out bore up to you, I tongue bore up to you, Raga. Yes.
No, but you
All
see,
who see the
no,
bore
but you
up and get
see, what
excited, burst to the bubbles, we not like it.
Exactly. That's what I'm about to
Burst
say.
to the bubbles.
Because
So
people
it's
see
not good
people
to
bore
judge
up, you know.
people.
Well, people see people bore up on those things, say, straight freak. Then do
No,
everything.
just love
Them
the
do
people of the
everything.
bore up.
And basically, I say, you love the bore
They
up,
see it
but
all the while I assume, and I say, I pity you up and know. We not a fan of that one, the darling.
yeah,
Me can basically say me don't do it, even though I've done it.
yeah,
It's usually that bad.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I would
Okay.
have stopped it long before we left the man. Banned completely. You make me feel like to say, I know me alone, me can't, that and that, me can't clean people rifle where I go elsewhere, Bridget, that's wrong. Me can't do that, me can't do that. Me very skeptic, Raga, and me can't deal with certain things, so me stand by myself, you understand? Yes. Just like how, in a many sense, me try a three years, because me go want 2 man, and nobody not stop nothing no one place and the other place. The one I go wait him turn. One go and wait him turn to plug the hole we supposed to get the last plug. Nobody is not plug up no health and so when me I do over there, when me I do over there, and me can't please the people in the right way.
No, okay. So, you know, you don't even feature the trees, but if you feature the trees for you, it's gonna be, yo, watch out, the trees, yeah, you know, it's gonna be 3 in 1. Well, I know 3 in 1, a 3 in 1. Well, 2 in 1, 2 in 1, 2 in 1.
Yeah, no, 2 in 1 in a nothing. One hole alone I get plug up.
Yeah.
Me say one after the other.
Yeah,
One
so-
wait in turn. And nobody not go want that, cause no
So that is called a 2 in 1 trees.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Right. A 2 in 1
So
tree.
one place alone a plug up. Me dey for one live one night I want do that talk like he want plug up every whole pan top of me. Me say,
Well, no, well, we probably forgot. No, yeah, well, with you is a 2 in 1 trees you prefer. As
Yes,
opposed to
wait your
people,
turn.
well, and other people can be all a 2 in 3 trees, you know.
Anything you want to call it, as long as they wait their turn. Yes, wait the turn. One
Yeah.
after the other.
Yeah,
Nobody ganging
yeah.
up on me and come plug up no extra nowhere. Nope, I one alone I have to plug up.
Yeah.
You wait till it turn till it get empty to come plug 2. You're gonna have to get sloppy seconds. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you remember Jamaica when we are open tin milk and we not cut it right through, but when you make one hole, you have to make one next hole, you know, for the ear come in.
Whatever.
Well, you know, remember when we are open tin milk, man, when you open one, when you make one hole, you have to make a next hole. Because anyway, we do not come out of that one hole, you know, so 2 hole have to do that for one hole work.
No one they get me.
No. You know, come in a ragga mind. But no, listen this now. This is how I get deeper when I get at, you know. When we there at Jamaica and we board the 2 hole them, we always end up only through one of them hole, you know. We don't use the other hole.
I'm not going to say ragga. I want to
Well, we don't use the other hole, you know. Yeah, whichever hole, we are throwing out the milk in that hole, we always turn the milk and another one there, and the other hole just there for the ear coming for push out the milk and whatever. But
ragga make taste come me here. I mean, I have nothing to say
No.
ragga yet. I want to catch me big time. I
2 hole of it there, but a 1 hole of work. A 1 hole of work with you, understand?
Ragga sample, you know, your example is beyond me.
You head no really too, you know.
Jesus.
You see.
But yeah, only one plug up for me. One plug up for me. Them say me boring, but me not give 2 rat sauce.
Alright, well on there.
Who
Latte
say me
girl.
boring?
No, latte girl, right, you know. We do that with the milk, you know. It's like we are work with one hole, but sometimes when the milk is stubborn, we blow the other hole, forget the one.
Me juky with that knife.
No, talkie God truth.
No, man, you tend to juky, you tend to open it.
I ask you a question. You never do like most Jamaican when we make it 2 hole, and when the milk now come through the one hole, you blow through the other hole. You give it a blow for make the milk come through the hole where you want it come through. You never blow through the hole yet.
Yeah,
You go on like you know what we know, say you blow through the hole. What happened to you?
Me not been a misunderstanding with which I still do that.
Okay, you still blow the hole.
Yes, me blow the chalice.
Where you stammer for? Where you stammer
Me
for?
not blow no
Where you
hole.
stammer for? You just uncomfortable with
Me
it.
not
You
blow no hole.
you blow the hole for the other hole for the regular hole work. You not blow the hole
not
for the
blow
regular
hole.
hole work. Yeah, you blow the hole for the regular hole work.
Me not know how to blow a hole, Raga. Me blow a
Whatever.
trumpet.
Nah, you just are going like you're uncomfortable with it, like you don't blow that hole. A lot of them, me know say chumping I don't want to admit it or whatever. But they blow through the other hole for make the milk come through the regular hole.
We not blow hole. Me blow trumpets.
Yeah.
Oh boy, yes, she stammer.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, cause a while ago you box shuffle look a bit and thing, you know.
You make me last the words.
Yeah, that's our word, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah,
cool,
man.
Cool,
Boy,
cool.
tell me say congrats on your party the other night.
Blessings, man.
It looked like it was a ball. Squeaky, big up yourself. You make me tune in and get to watch some of the party. I imagine myself with Ragashanti on the dance floor till me can come talk the story because I was imagining in my head over and over and over for the whole night. Yeah, so yes.
Yeah. All right, that's our word, man. Cool. All right, boo, blessings, man. Love and blessings.
Yeah, man, take me down there, please. Good night, everyone. Bless up yourself, brother.
One cavi. No. And people me there telling us I'm not stay long tonight, man. I have some thing pressure upon me, you know. Yeah, lift and bring in lane. Alien. Oh, I go and boo, what's up?
Good night to you and your TamFam. With TamFam, brother and sister. I'm glad everything work out nice, my love.
You see it. Give thanks. Give thanks. What I go on with you?
Why Ragashanti, me not tell no lie. Me wake up, you know, after 2 hours, wait for a call, you know. So me I go talk to the people them. But you never call me. Me know you're busy.
Oh, yes. Me tell you, say me I call you and make you chat and
think. We are Raga. Me know them party thing they go and worse. You're the promoter. You're
right.
The careless boy. Why not the party? Why walk around and whiny?
Yeah.
So me understand how everything go.
Yeah.
And you see with the lady there, not the girl, the one where she and her friend hook up together. The one the man from ANC.
Yeah.
Me kinda understand her now. She's strong. She just talks strong.
Oh, you mean Java?
Java, yeah.
Yeah, Java, yeah. She
talks strong. So all if she not cuss, it sound like she a cuss. Because she just have that strong talk in there. You know?
And listen to me, is one of the most caring, compassionate person. Like, she's one of them people that care about people and think about people, like, you know, in a way where the people them not send nothing to her and she a call and a check in on you, like, you're good, whatever, and boom. She one of them people who do for you and you never ask.
Yeah, me
and she just get up on a doofy and whatever and thing like that. The one of the sweetest, caring most. So you're right, you know. No, we're good enough. A TamFam man, I tell you, but me don't want nobody get it twisted and thing like. Yes, and when you talk about the biggest heart and the most compassionate, caring and whatever. So you know. But me, you know, we would talk and whatever. But me just want people know. Me don't want nobody get it twisted and whatever. Me don't want nobody come talk bad about her and thing and whatever. But she's a really, really, really. I mean, I say it. Me not give nobody no jail talk and whatever. At most, more a clutch and not say nothing if whatever. Me I tell me say I one of the sweetest, nicest person, caring person, whatever and thing. You know, but when Clash Talk I come up, you like you said, you sound strong, you know?
Yeah, man. I mean, like how everybody enjoy themselves, you know. It was a blessing.
Give thanks. Yeah, man.
And
See.
Raga,
Yeah.
me no know well, look how long me there, so nobody no come in our shop as me there on your life, somebody come in. Why
Oh,
me I tell you?
boy, I saw it go sometime.
I know want to say something to you, you know. Raga, you see the video where the man a beat the woman a Chilani?
No, me not see that video there.
What Jesus, Raga? That is a video fit about, but then lock him up. Do what the love. No, Raga, the way the man a deal with the woman, you know when you da lick a machine on a concrete,
Yeah.
so it's son and me get fi understand say she used to it, you know. Because every day they war, but they must have a 3-year-old or a 4-year-old pitney, and she always a use the pitney for shield. So I look like in catch her one away now. Jesus, and she not balling a Raga. You see, true, she used to the lick them say. And people just
Several
stand
people
so.
say them watch it and thing. I haven't seen it.
Me say Raga, me can't believe it. I know.
No, but what you mean? What you mean? She generally use a picnic for shield. What you mean by that?
Like when he make after, she always have the pitney in front. So you know I'm not gonna beat her because she have up the pitney.
Oh, okay.
You understand what me I say?
Yeah, but
And
picnic and shield, it still sound away, you know. But a bunch of people are saying them see it. I haven't seen it, so I don't know how
yes,
it going.
man, them need for send it. And for Rosaline or Raga, me up on the people, them want take our pitney side. And
Why?
me up on your side because Raga, you see if she did end up unalive the pitney them, we see them one as why I say one to the people them, and them see she do this already, and there's people no fit go who are lick out against the law, who no need to go. You understand what me I say, Raga? Them people, yeah, them not easy, them she deserve it.
Yeah, I you know say me no comment on them something and a them lock off TikTok from Jamaica, right? A them run and people send things in all the while about Rosalie, Ivani, Werda, all of them, and I don't go there. But this one I with the pitney them and thing and whatever, and all people are beat the CDA. Some people are roll out and are beat the CDA. I say, no, you know, so I need to say something and defend the CDA, 1 and 2. Communicate to people that it's okay when it's a picnic in a danger for reach out to a third party, say, listen, this thing I don't look good enough. Go check, do a welfare check on them picnic and whatever, this and that. You understand? And don't feel no way like you not do nothing wrong when not do that, all right? Worst case scenario, you're wrong and thing what? The picnic them all right and you're good, okay?
Number 1, Raga, she says her work she a do right, and she normally your work you go get day off. She never take a day off yet for her pity, but she take a day off to go out with next man, and next man a mother.
Me not get involved in that part there. You're alien. Me not get involved in that part there.
You not have to say nothing, Raga. You not have to say nothing. She need to take day off for your children them. Any work where you do, you're supposed to get day off even past Sunday. If you go deal with your children them.
Okay. The whole GX, Akim, Rosalie, something. Me not busy with that part. The picnic them and CDA me at about, you know.
You have to put the children them first.
Indeed.
leave that alone.
Indeed,
You have to put the
indeed.
children them first in everything. Children are old people. Them come first.
Right, right. The
You
vulnerable.
can't say
Right.
anything she come on and them a talk about maybe feel likes and feel this. You can't talk them the something they feel likes. Because me now come on your program and say, Raga, you know I say me butter bruise my grandson just see likes and sitting. No. Yes. No, sir. They must understand themselves, you know, when they end up on life, where them a come and come say.
That's true. That's
If
true.
you know what you say
That's
when you
true,
end up on
that's
life,
true.
because the whole world I hear you. The whole world.
Alien, you hear what she said she feel sometime for do to the pit of them. You did hear that part there, right?
Me see the video, me love, with a piece of tool there. She alright.
No, but you hear what she said she feel sometime for do to the pit of them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You can't say them something, the girl. Liar, listen to your doctor, listen to you. The whole world I listen to you. Even if them not stuck on your thing, them even for 5 minutes, you understand me, I say, Raga?
Yeah.
And them score through because some me work TikTok, you know. Me we stop certain place little bit. And from then no make no sense to me, me just score through. You understand me, I say?
Alright. People, I don't know, I go see the video, but I go just make on hear something, alright? 1 second.
How about how I feel? Don't you know the vaccine? How you feeling today?
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
You have time to mash up all things in here, man. Mash up them blood clot. I say I just such a run, lick out the blood clot glass. And sometimes the pressure does feel like more mad crazy and just mash up. Like the place of fire. Stab up jokes and stab the pit of them and just everything just done and over with it. And then sometimes I don't the things that I see are coming and I say, no, hold it, girl. How about how I feel? Don't you know the vaccine? How you feeling today?
When you hear that, right? That is somebody, hold on, people again, you hear she say, and it's key, you know, she say sometimes the pressure come down upon her and thing and whatever, right? You know, she just feel light the place of fire, burn it, and when you hear the STAB word and thing, again, you know, listen again.
You have time to mash up all things in here, man. Mash up them blood clot. I say I just such a run, lick out the blood clot glass. And sometimes the pressure does feel like more mad crazy and just mash up. Like the place of fire. Stab up jokes and stab the pit of them and just everything just done and over with it. And then sometimes I don't the things that I see are coming and I say, no, hold it, girl. How about how I feel? Don't you know the vaccine? How you feeling today?
How about how I feel? Someone, yeah, she said, how about how I feel? How I'm feeling?
Nobody ever
That is
asked
somebody,
her.
that is somebody, you know, she said sometimes the pressure upon her, she said she mash up things in there all the while and broke up everything. But then when you go say, you just feel like you want STAB up, our baby father, and STB and just done everything. That is serious. And then you're gonna say, oh, about how I feel. That is serious, you know. How people are gonna war the CDA right now, and the CDA say, okay, we need to help you here. We're reaching out here. We need to help you. All right. And while we figure this thing out, we think it is in the best interest of these children that we remove them from this situation until we figure out what's going on. All right. So, and again, the only reason I'm saying this now, and I brought it up here, is all of the people that want see across the CDA.
Exactly.
Them on the road, them say them a beat the CDA, beat the CDA, beat the CDA, beat the CDA. And I just TikToker vibes and whatever. No, this woman is serious.
Raga,
She under pressure, she reach out, yeah.
Me glad she talk out her mouth before she do it. You understand me? Because she
Precisely.
could have do it in a rag and then done with for herself too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
All 4 of them gone, you know.
Which we have seen other people do. This is not the new. We've seen
Okay.
people do it to children.
Okay, okay.
Right?
So when people are gonna bash the law that are for them business.
No, and
You
the see, and when them things that happen, where you hear, me see it all the while. When I know the first, them things that happen already. Like, unfortunately, I'm picnic get unalive and this and that. And always you hear the people. So where was the CDA? What them did it for? What them did it for? Who so and thing and that and blah 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 and then so she did a reach out and any fool could have said she didn't need help and nobody never help her. What me see it all the while. And now the CD I do what them for do. And there's so many out that beat the CD and whatever and this and that. The CD I do them job on the go man.
Please people, you can please people, me can please people, we cannot please people. I just saw it go, but me glad she talk out before she. That's all me glad for she talk before she do it.
All right, Elaine, blessings and respect, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm big up each and everyone and all who come out for the party. Me just a go easy tonight. Me not beat and teach tonight.
All right, Elaine. Yeah, man, blessings, man. Cool. All right, people, like me telling them, I'm now go stay at, I forgot. And there's some pressure with some things, I forgot. But, come on, man. I have to go deal with that thing. But again, I just want to say big. Oh, first of all, people, don't get it twisted with the Java thing, all right? Do not get it twisted with the Java thing. Java, I'm a soldier and whatever. It's just a great and awesome friend. An incredibly caring, compassionate person or whatever, all right? Well, you know, in a family, you have look at something so uncle, and you have differences of opinion, and sometimes it's not even like wrong or right, it's all the things sound and all something there, whatever. See? And all right, so don't get it twisted, all right? Right? Everything cool, right? Again, thank you. Everybody who in any way supported the party, you know, with your presence and whatever, even if you just give well wishes, even if you just say, yo, have a good night at the party, I thank you, right? And I want to especially big up everybody who want to restructure on a life, want to buy plane ticket, when not cheap, on a fly come up, on a sort out outfit, ear, and thing, on a support other people, even in a party, you know. Some people never turn up the way them for turn up and thing. And there was people there who helped me. I just want, you know, big up you know, the people them who jump in and say, Raga, we got you. Right? We got you, right? And when it was said, my ANC, you know, CBS, Java, Naki, and thing and whatever, you know, Shaman and Marsha and thing from the SDC and whatever, jumping right away, boom, bam, let's go. You know, Raga, we got you, you know. I'm just very thankful for the hands-on, you know, them dress-up clothes and them help me, you know, with the food thing and whatever in terms of support. So I'm just very thankful for that. Truly thankful for that. And thank everybody who bought tickets and never forward but them just now I support the thing. The people who just send kind words and you know, were just like really supportive in their rhetoric, in their language, and in their sincerity, you know, in terms of just wanting what's best for me and for others and so forth. Honestly, big thank you, you know, enough thanks and whatever. Again, you know, in this type of thing, I say you're nothing without the people who have your back and without the people who support you, right? It's not like you're an architect who just a draw sitting in your own little space or whatever, you know, you are, it's it's something that requires reciprocity, who requires people to, commit, their resources. And we're not talking about just money, we're talking about time. We're talking about logistics and thing and whatever, Taller, everybody from the SDC and thing, the whole crew, Sharm and thing, Craigton were flying all the way from England and thing, the Canada crew, people them who flying from Canada and thing, people come from all about Norval, fly up from Florida, CBS fly up from Florida, and the people them right here up in the New York metropolitan near the Jersey people, them New York people, them the CT people, them Connecticut people, just blessings and thanks to all of them. Big and serious. Enough thanks, right? I am very, very grateful for the support and thing. All right. You say, Christina, you thought you snore on the plane this morning, all right? And anybody who never watched the show at the beginning, on the need for watch it over YouTube on TamFam TV, this show, for hear about, you know, some always I catch people when them asleep. I know me there I laugh about them. Well, the same thing happened to me by somebody live. I'm tell them about it, tell them about it at the beginning of the show. So if you don't hear that, right? So remember, whatever energy you put out there, it'll get back to you. Yeah, Raga end up a snore on somebody live, right? Come in from the party, tired like our and thing, and me explain it and thing or whatever, which I think is funny, right? So we're done with self around here, right? Laugh, learn, and grow. And thing, a thick skin and broad back, I do it. No one is safe, as Puss would have said back in the day. No one is safe. All right, big up on yourself, blessings and respect again. And enough thanks to all on and thing. And I'll see you tomorrow. And thing, I remember TamFam, all right? One TamFam. We laugh, we have a look at ticklish moments, a look at wrinkles and thing. And sometimes we cry and sit now, whatever. But through it all, we remain positive and we support each other and continue to grow with each other and move from strength to strength, from joy to joy, from happiness to happiness. Big respect to you all. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Blessings.